Merongibiri na isaro na isato mbabwate tile provels alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na wigo na versatile mat MRM ni kubabwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na wigo web design mbabwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green ubutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya sigika ayo guchani warrant na wigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom wigo ngutuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Welcome to Timiza School, where excellence is nurtured and dreams come alive. Located along Kisii-Keroka Highway at Nyosia 1, Timiza School is now admitting learners for 2026 from playgroup to grade 9. At Timiza, your child is taught by TSC-certified teachers expertly trained in the CBC curriculum, ensuring they excel holistically. We go beyond the basics by offering French and Kenyan Sign Language, preparing learners to thrive in a globalized world. Our modern facilities are designed for comfort and excellence. Spacious, well-equipped classrooms, comfortable and secure boarding facilities, modern and clean washrooms, clean and safe water for drinking. We inspire innovation and curiosity through the state-of-the-art science and computer labs. At Timiza, talents are nurtured through a variety of co-curricular activities, including football, basketball, swimming, chess, scouts, and inspiring music programs. With adequate training equipment, our reliable and affordable transport system ensures your child's safety and convenience. Don't miss out. Interviews and admissions for 2026 are ongoing at Timiza School from playgroup to grade 9. Secure your child's place in a school where excellence and opportunity come together. Call us on today 0726 882397 or 0729 658659. For more information or to book an interview, Timiza School. Discover your best.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Weru bya mwancho murigererio Gatembe TV mangoro biga ya lero litukeliga lya ichuma ne tariki 14 cyomo tinyi oiga ukomera mu mwaka bwekirwe na 2025 mwancho murigereri chingaki amanga agenda kwani kwa chinsemo ao ime na isiko ya gusina kwa mono chingaki amatuko agenda tegusuka angekegima lituna goboto gwikira lituko litinene lyobocho lyoboke obugochwo kwa neke wa as chinsemo ao ime yense ya Kenya na sarongorwa gusi ni gochi ward isato kurwase county ya Nyamira chiko chikonyara kabachiko ibwaterania ase obochori oboke ese bagochikonya kabagachora aba MC babo ningo kwanira ward ya Nyansiongo ward ya Nyamaiya na boigo ward ya Hekerenyo aicho chiganete kweroberia ase nchire abene igoro yobochori oboke na boigo siasa chiganete kubwatanse ase chinseme chio mwanjo murigereri na boigo chinsemo chinde ime yense ya Kenya. Ege ne kionga chinse bira senchira yobo ikiranu chenigo ngor kwaru ni ototo nyangiri korwa sensema imenyerio ni goto kubwatana na Wilson Makoli na yani gatia na kwarenire emagoroba ya leo.
Ne ande bono koranga giachakire buya nabo kwingo muswatu ituru bwakirwe mioro ongenturu abande moyo baro omonto gaitira akire mioro agutara nande kwanyoro musachu uri omoitete no bare nerege kogera tabugati asaguchi
Ekiombe kia abonchereria bali bakwani mibere yabo imemo chobo songo kwe murungani kubwatakana amaono goitwa kwayo mobo amatuka make aitire
na seki mutaenda musapoti omwana olia oliotenenegara. Let's do that. Yani haitoshi nendete isaini no anasini unamwaga nyagero Fred yago ito mwamanya kuansa kumosungoka
siasa chia matiangi kubwata inse asomo igabo komoenia isemoke omosentabe county ya Nyamira omoske Eric Okongo omogeni
That is how it was. To guy one, ncheka batevi kaziane is very simple. No kuba support, unamotagete, is raising a little money to back you up.
Omwasiri omokoro omoske Dr. Fred Matiangi kuralia omosimamo ye igoro yobochori oboke ime ye county ya Nyamira. Mwancho murigereri kionga chinsebe ni goto cha kurwase county ya Nyamira ase litukulia lero omo wasiri omukoro omoske Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi anyara kabaga korekana gakomochia serikali mono kigima asanya kabaga tayanige gutumika chibesa bobe ase yanya kabaga kubaterania nga nonye na ase campaign chobo chalioboke bwe county ya Nyamira omoske Matiangi nigale kwana iga chinsemo gose ensemo ya gesiega ime ye bunge ya West Mugirango county Nyamira asomoyega bwoko mwenia oyo lenge isemoke omosenata bwe county ya Nyamira omoske Eric Okongo omogeni ase abanyaka bagwekirana bona humurikito Daniel Ntiri agotoera
Gukwana sebirero ime ya gesiaga ase bunge ya West Mugirango ime county ya Nyamira Matiangi nigarolekana kumoche serikali na komenta buna uburai bwa bono wasinyirwe merimo na yango bwatekana na ali agenderete ko ene kigwa chingakechi
abantu abegazige basinyito okumya gozono inumuro jembanyali ekerona ali como minister of security settlement yali bora kana so eto jombe jeli ko bwa 83 omotieni. By the time na rueto no nyine bolie ya meta likoibo era matuka abantu bayikire zwago sikira chume nyomba ne chimboli nyomba igongo yaboroje
ukwana chinga keche choboigo nigamenta buna bwanchirwe na bakenya asi chinsemo ao aiga Kenya na nari tayari gusibora Kenya kurwasi chinyororo cy'uburayi bube.
Nini mwate betale mbiri mutingo atano genda isiko oligichikura. Ibageri mwangete no olire pakabono. Genda isiko nigichikura.
Asinkwa naye Matiang'i nigarolekana koba omonge bugosemeria noboremu bukubwatana enyameni gesiasa asogocincha burayi nomurai wense Dr. William Ruto oteba nerebweka uramutumenka
twezi bino turamo egroup iria botomona kugamba mara lakini na bako batenga na morigeri mwenze zumara mondo batjingwa nyare mondo yo binchi meni oyo na tana ucheza na ido maide tawo mowa kama didiri tu mowo tunyara ani we fought you ngomba manye to nyemba kunga mondora nyaro mondoria ninje na ende tayari ende kuruzie zati tuchakane
asense mwende nigakwanero gose melikwae asobo cholyo boke imeye county ya Nyamira oteba balia bakuriye biroge bya gwetera asensemo yogopinge serikali nabo barachigoso abisi nemero bali yonsi yekiranire.
Even nimeona mambo ya aibu. You know, usually people want to my dad to go sununde serikali mono. The reason is because I have respect and respect some of our national leaders. But now hawa jeshimu tafadhali. Sasa nimesikia some of our national leaders are saying, oh, we are average thinkers, we are average people and so on. Are we actually average, or Kenya is reeling from the vagaries of an average government? Serikali, every corner you look is chaos. Education chaos. Ama demu na wana jacket koibwa, una ali kuulirika kwenye ndara kenda chukua. Koibwa kamulo chama demu koibwa. Na raga ndre toka. Isha deligo baragazi. Magendro tayo hande kene ngigendreti.
Nkorobotere gataseni kyagatembe kurega se county ya Nyamira litrane nguruko Daniel Untiri
na chingage cyo mwancho muligerali gati ya barayi abanyaka bagwekerana ase omoyego yibwa matanga ni abanyaka bagokwana mange na mwana wose barokia eganga nekerenga kyo gosegeta umweke Dr. Fred Matiang'i ase sabali yayo kuligekero kyo barayi bwense asobo chole bone bomwaka bochirubere na 25 oigo mulikito Daniel Untiri na rotwaragerero oroboti urwa senchira yo boikerana
Gukwana asomo yogoyo bwa matanga oikirenwa na barayi ao bakoragwa no mwaziri omokoro omoske Dr. Fred Matiang'i oikirenwa na barayi ao barayi baiga asenkwana yabo bagendereria injili yokubolia bamenyi be county yo kokoboko balia bakoriye birogo wetera se byama ebibwato bwa mate no moske Matiang'i.
I hope abantu banyamira nkwa muri abana babatatu parese coalition ya opposition chikura esababu neye ebiroge bibiko genda mumuroyo mbintu tago sukagurwa abaisi ko bagateba nuroche iwaenda sobo tukamowe musiye ukamusiya bono ngakiara chokoriki ekirukingoro
asense mwende abarayi abaiga niko bakwanira kisababu kinene baganiretie gochincha burayi asa matukale bosyo batebo moske Matiang'i nerora konye Kenya usoka bosyo nambale no kwegena sare
taringa kerowe ki abande baitontwage tagete ya lakini mumuroyo naisaine bagara mumuroyo taisaine Rolebi inte korete karare education. Rolebi inte korete karare interior. Rolebi inte korete karare ICT.
Na Mheshimiwa William Ruto tunakuambia tunakutoa kwa sababu umedanganya wananchi. Ulitudanganya ukasema unaleta SHA ambayo itafanya kazi. Lakini leo tunamzika ango yangu Mheshimiwa Mzee Abuga, tumempeleka kule Nairobi, amepata bili kwa hospitali na ikulipa hiyo SHA ikulipa. Ni muongo si muongo? Muongo si muongo? Kutoka West Mogrango mnasema SHA inafanya ama ifanyi? Inafanya ifanyi? Pili, Rais ulituambia kwamba wewe ukichukua uongozi utatetea mkulima. Ukatuambia kwamba ile bonus ya mkulima itaenda mpaka shilingi 50. Na wananchi wangu wa Nyamira Bonus ilikuja shilingi ngapi? Ilikuja shilingi ngapi? Tumwambie ukweli tusimwambie? Tumwambie ukweli tusimwambie? Ndio maana tunasema 2027 Mungu akipenda rais wetu atakuwa Fred
Nyamanke yakora gentoki Machayirwe Egesa kwengeke Isege Nyamenke Lakini ke kusige ente biga Nyamenke yakora gentoki Mumroyo Orochega Ni Nyamenke Lakini ngokora no bokimabwaki
abantu bamintu bagusiyi ndo baise ko jayo mwana mintu ngaga aba gusigo bagotebanga engoke ende yatora siko mogoro ya koroki engoke yatora siko mayego ngirigena
atawanyoosha vilivyo. Na ningependa kueleza ya kwamba haja yetu ya kutaka mabadiliko katika uongozi bado ni hakika. Na tuwezi tukafanya hivyo tukiwa nje ya fence. Tunafaa tulete hiyo tutafute hiyo uongozi tukiwa wapi? Tukiwa ndani. Na kwa hivyo sisi tukiwa Turkana huko tunaangalia bedroom ya Fred Matiang'i kwamba iko namna gani.
Aiga ni gagocha chenga kia maberera age siasa agendrete gukina kera buna bokonye gukia osio bobochorio boke ase county au ase ababwatani au boigo barolekanire kwebuka bokia no nyengo cia sobochorio bonene bo mwaka wechire bubere na 2022 nkuributerega seni kegetembe litere nengor kwa Daniel Ontiri
na mwancho muligereria somo yogo yoyo ni kwa mujumbe we bunge ya North Mugirango Muske Joash Nyamoko airali bagalia bene kuna kwegerera ebitambukiro byaye guseka tambukiro kyaye kyogasanania aseji campaign na mano imeye goderia kerenyo boigo umuske Nyamoko niganyara kaba gakomochia bali ba mwetanaine umuske Dr. Fred Matiang'i azogotabuna ni gwatarigwe sokia century ya bene gokorana na campaign chingaki bakukanyerera chingaki anyara kaba gagwe sokia gusinga kyarange nali bakonyora kaba babwate umukia obwo gokora ali andonsi babaire bagokora
na baibere batebino Moscow Grand Star Fred have been sitting in his caucus and even conducting all their affairs chia money campaign yae nendende Peter where na my UDA member of parliament. So a safari to what a safari and dambi. Let's be very careful. Ntoma isikokwana kemosi istali tokwana. Moscow needs a lot of support. Mo maisko anya moiche bilero yotota to assist ya bas onye campaign kere Mugirango kemosi na ngobolu muisonde. Why don't you go and support Muske Fred Nyasiongo? Na seki mutaenda musupport umwana oliotenenegara. Let's do that. Yani aitoshi nendete isaini no ana asini unamwaga nyagero Fred yago icho momanya kuanza kumosungoka omoskoyo ayata mugusunga yo. I sent you money yesterday. Is that not the case? Nena abere ngo support because I know he's a friend. Yeah? Na bande. Almost go to Ungaro Simama. Almost go to Namiro Fred Matiang'i. Tanijana Koiror. Teba Ego Sei. So, almost Fred. And I really want to say this. Abaska Abami, the bones pit, the Abadi Getishati, Elin, the Barwe support. It's not enough. It's not enough. Ken is here. Now, I don't know how much we have done. I say in Jomo School, friend. In Che, Gonjolena UDA. Yeah? A U1 term. There's no problem with that. Lakini wana saying in Cho, Nere, Serekali, Abno, on the Bonoiga, where you can't suke mpake the Gayon, was one day we have Angami. Again, to talk a Chete is pretense. A kikyo. Onye to support muskoyo tuwezi naba usitone inchi na bere ngo andakera asana de no mugusigo ikaicham. Eline to wa tutuale bageni power. Yeah, Kamos, you came from Kwana yesterday. You have not been around. I'm asking you, uko wapi? Yeah. So, you want to toa icheka toa ichire, yato bega masabai tutoro sia basani, tutofte njia yoko kono muskoyo bintu.
Amanchu muligereri amatuka make magigayo muswati yamo gotoka gasireti oguma bwaye sinyomba cyo boraro himeye cyo bosongo igoli tukolya rero ababwatani beke umbekeri kia bantu lima kende muna bakoyaonia banyaka bagwesoka na gwikeria gakore ikese banyaka bakobori baiguri bagali gukora obonchereri bwabo ase obwororo nabo igo banyaraka bakonekerigwa oboene bwabo munago tumemurikito dipone asanya
Maiga yo mubere b'umusubati yo mugotoka imeye nyumba ya moyo kwegokya imeye mucyo bosongo litukulia Jumatano litukulia rero ababwatani bebyombe aho nigo bono besokirie unenchireyemo yo kugikeria ebikore byo goitu by'abasubati gose femicide
Samaria tankoro kwa simora president ya sex workers Kisii County msima asebono iga etos tugetrande tobwato bwoba ase egento konyora tuatebire ngakerere Kisii County abasubati goitu nandikeiranire bono iga yeni omusubati iga itetu osacha boria koiro omusubati erumu ogenda ochikomongentororo na komokorera ebintu bitabweneti okorera komongenta
nasirete twari ngucha kumanyese nasirete twamurigeti Tuesday yakabura on Wednesday na twamanyolta bono mugaso
Maritango ku Justin Magoma ku Kisii County njina human rights defender ku Kisii County najaga okwana igoro ya goitoka basubati kobwa mono twanyara kanyora Kisii County abasubati bari bakonyara goitina abasubati bari barasobwanjani abasubati bari bakora ku female sex workers na abasubati bari bari vulnerable in the community ringane rigario goitwa abasubati ndiringana ryo monta yomo tokete kobane jamii yetu ya Kisii tonyara kuungana pamoja tukemei mambo ya uwaji ya wanawake. The females in our community are safe at all.
Ukwana no munyakirogo o sex commercial workers in county ya Kisii gose abantu baria bagokora obonchuria asokweonia nigatebirenge bikoro bune bigatari ntunda ntangani byabere bikonekigwa
yara iri guchumaga nande gente kengi akorekanete tugatarega tugakura tugagikerie gente kekaira magaga ne ande bono koranga giachakire buya nabo kwingo muswatu ituru bwakirwe mioro ongenturuo abande moyo baro omonto gaitira akire miora gutara nande kwanyoro musachu uri omoitete no bare nerege kogera tabugati asaguchi
Chingakechio nigo barokana kugikeria ngane yega bororo ase bono baburiria basacha koirangora na gutwara bomwanya bantu
ko meiro moisoko ngane sex wako rega cia ya sago kora nargo saba basacha umanyenga ekeroko genda komokorera bogo soko moita oyo no moibori obwata abana atiga nyombo cha kubarigeria gente gitangani omanyenga oyo no mwana bwo monto bunaye nayo ro mwana bwa baibori bao oyo nera no mwana bwo baibori baye
unenchereyemo yokorokia omubaro gose komanya bali bagenderete kokoro bonchirio baiga imeye county ya Kisii nigo bali babwate chinyomba gose chi landlord baboliwe koenekianga kiro musubati okoegwe nyomba imeyo muchibosongo na manyire nabo igo nonyana sakurwa
si obwate room muno moise kago choromogeni omosabe kebande epotoko bie kebande oteba nasobo boronge na marieta yonsi egere chiko toegasire raisi buna bone gasi ekongete ntoramanya sobo ntoramanya kende yonsi abe namba ya enja togete
ekerero kia bobono guchia serikali no koenekianga ya igereire oboene bwo monyabanto nabo igo koenekianga abaiganko ego barobo sibori na konyora chingo kichiabo chingororo kubwatakana ne chiamate chinyinge chibategemete aso konyora omugati obokera lituko
serikali elie manyete ngano tole abasubati mbaroro bakwoni egakora okwoni tariboneka gwachaka nande nkomanyire nga nkorororo ka kimotore na intubuna mwanya bantu na intumotore nga na mwanya bantu bagotarega okwoni oko wasomiri abana
gusaba serikali yitenyara gotokonya abantu betenyara kubika namo investigation nyara yokorekana bali bakorega tando bunekiga banyara gubugori gwatwa entonya akomanya ne community ya gusia abantu bantemba abantu bonspi abo musubati abo mugaka ngo turiti gwara buno mwanya abantu na inare se wese community
ripoti kitaseni kia ukia gatembe kurega se county ya Kisii eliana nkoro kwa Dipon Asanya
Mwancho muligereri kubwatakana roboti uni maetekano naye kwebulire mabuli amangi kolindeli mulia bondringa ki ngwakana bali bango use mbamuna leses na janga kubwatakana ekaro moniaro igono mugoli na roro ayo nayo ranya kujarengereri gochima mwancho muligeto gotikana nayo lituko lia lero ime ye bunge ya West Mugirango nigo murobuli bububweni bwabosa obuyuo osirire amona wakiri Filemoni Amurara Apiemi onyaka bagoika omwelio ase abantu abange bagenda kwenyorera ebirore ase ligoli gosibatari gwakanira kendi gionsi naboigo obubweni nabosemi igoro yokulinda amaisabo munagotuma mulikito fatika Disemba.
Narorire buya kabisa narorire kigali narorire amariko ntare korora naira neri mbiya mono nyasana kubasisi
oyo no mogoko asigati yabaria barigereriwe omuchando bwa maiso ime ye county ya Nyamira na boigo barwariwe
naende narasumbukira matukongo kugenda narore nsimu ameteti narora na nerioki bono rero nduje nkara mugetise
ngona atibega Kenya sinjo kurigi birone ntiagera maiso ntarikorera buya ntarikonyara gusoma ligerendo none gutara lakini nabona atumanya ramane ni kwata maiso lakini kinyole tibirore ono ko basorra baraibe tukumuranje no tumakara ntera 90 birore 90 togo akutunyaka batokoro
abantu ange chiribu isato abo babere bagutwara omuchando oyo bwa maiso nigo barengwa asomoroberio oyo obeire asamatuko atano imeye bunge ya West Mugirango.
Kennedy Zaron, and this is our last day here in Nyamira. We are in a place called Kenelia, and it has been a really great thing just to serve the community. And since we started this activity, we have screened a total of 2,800 people. Those we have screened in the whole community, and we've given around over 1,300 glasses, and we did 450 referrals, which is an amazing thing. And we wish to continue with this vision screening next year because there is need in this community.
Omoerio bw'omuroberio oyo nigo oikirana rituko ria rero abwase obobweni obo bwabosa bwakorekana imeye wodi ya Bunyamatuta ase binyoro bya Kibirigo amo na Kenyenya Monimorara Apiemi atabisa omogoko ye igoro yokobweni kwa maiso
abari batamaete mbabwata obokongu bwa maiso bamanyire bari babwata obokongu bwa maiso ebirore bairwe nande bari babwata obokongu uborwaire banyorire rivaro egere bachigo korwariwo ne kiango geti mono ne kerona ro chabangina bande kero baegwa ebirore bagaja nebuku proof ngebirore bingo korabire bagasoma ebuku bakairiria tabakagoka sana no mogoko na ro je na abana baje tabake batari kunyara gusoma abana bari less than 14 years bakaigwe birore paka bakasoma nkayubya sana
Douglas Orutwa ongeo ensemo yaye nasaba eserikali ye county ya Nyamira kubarigeria ribaga ase abanyagitari abo barache kobera elio kubarigeria baria amaisabo aganeirie gochikorigereriwa gochase ubwaime
lakini sali obokongu amaiso bwatokira Nyamira boro banene mbare ba misi ebirore lenses chao chia konyo chia erire before 2 months ebirore byabo byabero ordered biche baegwe elina borobo bafiru na babande banyoru babwate issues problems batara konya koegwe ebirore babwata cataracts emibango ya rosi kuya sana na banta batokubwaterana Atimi Foundation na Lions na Light of Hope Initiative tuatebire mbaje bakerugisimi erinde banyara kwa Lions Hospital baje gukorerwa operation gusibusibwa maiso for free
kubwatikana naya ni gukira oyomo asabirwe ko yarenda amaiso aye anene kurwase gutaba aserio kirinene gutika gutumika esigara na boigo gokeania okorigereria oburabu kurwase chisimi igati yebinde umuske Filemoni Morara Apiemi oyo boigo uganitio oboseneta bwa Nyamira nagenderera gukwanira igoro ya barayi abo babwenerete gochorwa
gochora barayi umuntu agotukokaga ngapo ocha igwate babona neje no boseneta ndage oba mpindage asesi omonto nkiakorire atarachi korigino ano borajo.
Hingo ripota Gatembe kolega se wodi ya Bunyamatuta ebunge ya West Mugirange kaunti ya Nyamira. Njefatigad Gisemba.
Mwancho murige kirabo na watoko kolera semetangania kionga chinsa ibere toendo mutimo kama ka gotokera ntya gotokendra na mange ayogendra kubaga kwana kigwa ase ense gusasa chinsemo igotos kochare.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo gurigarua South Nyanza ya Nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yigakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bago kolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende gensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate Dumerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Gray Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe bwa mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchani warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwe kasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumu chuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sechi namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Pink Premier Academy ne yamuye chiskuru cy'uburuso ecyo kikubeko buruso byeko cyasumwano aze okwanyolera egasomo ecyo kiramakonye asa matukali busyo ezukuru yiga yekutuka ase bara ya kisi kiogoro jinsemo kiri cyamenyingwa ibare kogenda chinsemo kiri cy'amasongo igo ebwateli bagari giyali nene asabana bakokosoreria elyo kubugirana gukine chitalanta cyabo ebirasi byabo nebigale ebyo bire ebiya nabibwata mazingira ayo akwirira abana gosoma buya ngosome bali kurwa playgroup PP1 and PP2 asbibo bagasoma kurwa grade 1 wika grade 6 nabwo na junior secondary school nigo babwate science laboratory eyorengiya sabana bakolela amegeryo school yiga nigo ewanchira umurubiri umuye w'amasomo OCBC ale n'amasomo nigo school yiga ekolera ebyegwa asebabwate music and drama inyuranga emirime yiga yo kuyorokia yani art program nigo ekwa umwana wo obolemu bukokora amegeryo ayu akomutinye isko ye krasi.
It is a call
humility, and the ability to work with other people. So far as a leader, there were many opposition, but thanks to the never-ending support and encouragement of teachers and fellow students. Always believe in your strength and ability. No responsibility is too big for you, not too small to be rejected.
Efisi yabo ni gukwana nirigoriria mubuko asibe ko babwatembera bulyo ao korengana muno konyora gwicia mate ili kwene kingakira umwana ngonyorare egesomo nigo bakuru bosombi kucyasa bali bara HD scholar asibe ko bali barase boarding babwata mazingira maya yo gusoma in technico egendrete tutarire rero ili kwibwatania kabaye oyo mubwa bali bakwibwatania munice semi ejujira abayirere konyora obugimu buyasa matuko ali busyo asamange nabo wakisimu gwitrase kinabachitwa 0710-755-578 Gose 0714-673-963 Pink Premier Academy asubu wibuko chakira iliyoko kwa ankyo yao ingia.
Na mwancho muligere karibu asanzame ya kabire eye kionga chinsa ibire tokugendera na kionga chinsa ibire igoli tukulia lero omurai bwense musike William Samoei Ruto agenderera komochia aba mireria baye asanya ko bako tanga gwikira bono igati barare kana muna bantu bero beretie musike Ruto nikali gukwana iga chinsa mocha Machakos ese abeire ange amatukata tobono ase etaro ya magendero ime chinsa mecho.
Munasema tuendelee na kazi na wale watu wa ukabila, na wale watu wa fitina, na wale watu wa chuki, na wale watu hawana mpango. Unasema wafanye nini? Waende wakiendanga. Sasa mimi nataka nikuulize wewe mtu wa Mwala, si ndio? Si nyinyi ndio mnachagua viongozi? Si mnachagua MCA, mbunge, governor, senator, si mnachagua rais? Mimi nauliza nyinyi, wakati mnaenda kuchagua kiongozi, munampima na sura ama na kazi? Munampima na maneno ama na kazi? Munampima na ukabila ama na kazi? Si kila mtu anapima na kazi yake. So mimi nataka niwaambie hawa watu wanazungusha sisi na ukabila, sijui shares, sijui chuki, sijui kisirani, sijui hasira. Watupatie nafasi kwanza tuendeleshe mambo ya maendeleo Mwala, Machakos na Kenya. Iko siku tutakuja tukutane na wao. Ama namna gani? Si tunaelewana hivyo? Si mumesikia hawa jamaa wanazungurura hapa? Nasikia alikuwa huko kwenu. Hata mtawaona watakuja hapa. Hawana maneno ya kusema, watasema mambo matatu. Watasema one term, Kasongo must go. Hiyo tu. Hakuna kitu kingine watasema, si watakuja hapa? They have no plan. Hawawezi kukuambia barabara itajengwa, hawawezi kukuambia mambo ya stima, hawawezi kusema watoto wetu watasoma namna gani, hawawezi kusema mambo ya matibabu itaendelea namna gani. Akili yao yote inaanza kwa ukabila, inapitia kwa chuki na matusi, inaishia hapo kwa kiburi na kupingana. Ati sasa wale jamaa wanapinga affordable housing, wanapinga markets, wanapinga hostels, wanapinga SHA, wanapinga funding model, wanapinga kila kitu. Sasa mimi nataka nikuulize wewe
chingageje chumwancho muligereri nigo Musike Ruto boigo akwanira nsemo semi sanya kabaga kwana kinga serikali nigebegete mirobali amayo gokenia ibirango be semi na boigo asasegeta na gusingirira bana semi nigentaka gekoleta kubwatana asaba Kenya.
Mimi nawaambia jameni, tumesema ya kwamba kila mtoto wa Kenya apate nafasi ya kusoma. Mimi nimeweka pesa nyingi kwa masomo ya watoto wa Kenya. Tumeajiri waalimu, sasa itafika waalimu 1,100 kufikia Januari. Tumetengeneza madarasa 23,000. Tumeweka funding model mpya ya kuhakikisha kwamba watoto wa TVET na watoto wa university wanapata pesa ya kutosha ya kuwasomesha. Kwa sababu elimu ndio inaleta usawa kwa taifa la Kenya. Mtoto wa tajiri na mtoto wa maskini wanakuwa sawa wakipata elimu. Tunaelewana jameni? Mnasema tuendelee na hiyo kazi? Watoto wenu, mimi nataka niombe kila mzazi, tusikute mtoto wewe umeenda kumchungisha ng'ombe ama mbuzi, watoto wa Kenya wakisoma. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Tunataka kila mtoto wa Kenya asome, kwa sababu kusoma ndio the greatest empowerment any community, society or nation can give to its generation.
Na mancho muligarali muskeruto niga hagenderete ase tareyo ya Machakos boigo nigo akwanera omorbolesha asasegeta abakenya kugendera gweso kena kwelikia sobonge sanyaga bakubolia bali bakwelikia nene mono ase amatukale bosio niga serikali rachigwesonania na kobakanira chibesa chesha chijiganirikira omotienyi ase gekeke.
Mimi nawauliza watu wa Mwala, tumebadilisha mfumo wa afya. Ile mambo ya zamani, watu walikuwa wanafanya harambee, wengine wanauza ng'ombe, wengine wanauza shamba, ati kulipa gharama ya hospitali. Sasa tumesema gharama ya hospitali italipwa na serikali ya Kenya kupitia bima ya afya. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Kwa hivyo wewe mwananchi wa hapa Mwala, mwananchi wa Machakos, wa Kenya wote, kila mtu kazi yako ni kujiandikisha kwa SHA. Ukishajiandikisha kwa SHA, ile mambo ingine ya matibabu niwachie, nitapangana na hawa watu ambao wanatusaidia mambo ya afya. Tumeelewana? Tuko pamoja jameni?
Na mwanjo muligera chinga kechi boigo nigo muskeruto anyaraka bakamachia aigati ya bali bakwamereria mirori ya serikali nimana sanya kwa gukwanira obwagachi bwenyomba cheri golirike elio jimajetemna affordable housing projects use HPs asanya kwa bagagotabna ikine getambukero kiranya kwa bagukenia ebirengo byo bumenyo bwa bakenya ase ebirengo biri igane iri bigoro.
Nyinyi mnajua mimi nilisema katika awamu hii tutakuwa na program ya housing ambayo itatusaidia kwa mambo ya affordable housing, itatusaidia kwa mambo ya hostels ya vijana wetu, itatusaidia kwa mambo ya masoko ya kina mama na wale wengine wote. Mimi nataka nitangaze nikiwa Machakos ya kwamba kupitia housing fund tumetoa pesa 25.5 billion ya watu wa Machakos County tuwapatie katika kujenga affordable housing, kujenga masoko na kujenga hostels ya vijana wetu wa hapa Machakos. Machakos hoye! Mimi nimetoka hapa saa hizi, nimekuja kupatiana funguo kwa wananchi ambao wanahamia nyumba ya affordable housing ya kwanza hapa Machakos City. Watu wengine walikuwa wanasema hii affordable housing haitafanyika. Wengine wanapinga affordable housing. Mimi ninataka niwaambie ndugu zangu watu wa Kenya, njia ya kuondoa vitongoji duni, njia ya kuondoa slums, njia ya kuondoa vitongoji duni, njia ya kufanya Wakenya wasilipe rent, walipe mortgage, nyumba ikuwe yao, njia ya kufanya Wakenya wakuwe home owners ni
na mwancho mo ligere gukorera ekionga chinsa ibere nigo omokonji bo muraibwense ojolenge amo nomo raibwense chinsa mu chama Machakos anyaka bakwana kiabuna serikali nigo tsana kiyanga gwikiraniere ama gwikiraniere emero belionsi ya magendre yanyaka bage kulira abakenya eira na era manyene bene nigo kumukiga tambukiro gyo kobwatia na kwane kebuna emero belionsi yanyaka bage gwikiraniwa buna ebwenerete
baito moyaseo Mwaseo inge ando mamusie mwaseo inge ni mwana musumbe no kieko kwito va kwito kivandini Mwala Masako musumbe ni fire si fire ni fire si fire. Mheshimiwa Rais huyu Kawaya mbunge wa hapa Mwala kwa muda mrefu amesimama na serikali. Muda mrefu huyu Kawaya amesimama na serikali. Mimi naomba Rais, hiyo mambo yote Mheshimiwa Kawaya ameomba kwa niaba ya watu ya Mwala, kwa heshima ya huyu mbunge kusimama na serikali, umfanyie mambo yote. Jambo la pili, mumesikia Rais ametoa amri mbalimbali hapa. Amesema wale watu wanatengeneza ile maji ya 1.5 billion waharakishe akuja afungue. Amesema soko ijengwe. Amesema hostels ijengwe. Hiyo mambo yote Rais ameshaamrisha. Na mnajua Rais anashikilia taifa nzima. So nataka niwahakikishie ya kwamba kazi ya kufuatilia hiyo ndio iharakishwe haraka. Mimi kama mtu yake ya mkono, tukiwa na Kawaya, tukiwa na Mutua, tutaenda tufuatilie ndio hiyo mambo yetu ya Mwala ifanyike haraka. Mnakubaliana na mimi? Mnakubaliana na mimi?
Mwancho muligere gwikirabwa matokora nsema iga ye ekiunga chinsebira sanjira yobwekiranu ase egeka getali egeke nigo toguchikomera na sensemeli ye radio na boigo ensemo ye TV lakini kurwa se chi studio che radio yaga tokuligeria bera toiga ase emangana ali gotaba nga engwana ya gatembego tosko challenge ngo kurwa halu toto nyengiri nigo togotana kwa nsema menyeria nere Wilson Makoli na boigo DJ Asan kurwa nsemeli ya transmission gende gotokuligeria ya Miagatembe TV kiunga kya musi na boigo agendere kwegokia ne emirobili yonse
Baraka ninjo ninjo etembe ninjo dorome mangana mazi bangina ninjo
ama yasira abutokire mbusuro kyataroka bisanda bisoge ama yasiro abutokire mbusuro bisanda kyataroka bisanda bisoge nkike muntu gasirire muchiyo noro nabo gotaroka yoko bakabiso turubani gwaka bitokoro muchiro zino lengo ama yasiro bona akoera pi ateka taroka bisanda bisoge bisanda bisoge biri bikarekera ndiya atekire bito bino byaganda kuchimina no bekera ni amotoko nyara ama yasiro bona gaerire no mugusi atere ine tata ama yasiro abutokire tarokire na gwate kana gutaroka bisanda bisoge
Baraka ninjo ninjo etembe ninjo dorome mangana mazi bangina ninjo.
Welcome to Timiza School, where excellence is nurtured and dreams come alive. Located along Kisii-Keroka Highway at Nyosia 1, Timiza School is now admitting learners for 2026 from playgroup to grade 9. At Timiza, your child is taught by TSC-certified teachers expertly trained in the CBC curriculum, ensuring they excel holistically. We go beyond the basics by offering French and Kenyan Sign Language, preparing learners to thrive in a globalized world. Our modern facilities are designed for comfort and excellence. Spacious, well-equipped classrooms, comfortable and secure boarding facilities, modern and clean washrooms, clean and safe water for drinking. We inspire innovation and curiosity through the state-of-the-art science and computer labs. At Timiza, talents are nurtured through a variety of co-curricular activities, including football, basketball, swimming, chess, scouts, and inspiring music programs. With adequate training equipment, our reliable and affordable transport system ensures your child's safety and convenience. Don't miss out. Interviews and admissions for 2026 are ongoing at Timiza School from playgroup to grade 9. Secure your child's place in a school where excellence and opportunity come together. Call us on today 0726 88 23 97 or 0729 65 86 59. For more information or to book an interview, Timiza School. Discover your best.
eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingia kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati gwikari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye gwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores ugiye gutoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho go musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Springfield Medical Vision Center nigomono egukorereria obukoreri bwa general outpatient consultation nabuigo obubweria kukorabare ensemo y'uburingore gose laboratory services pharmacy eye care usensemo ya maiso nabuigo ensemo ya maino gose dental nigomono ba mentire obukoreri bwabo kuba ubuya n'obuyamano kigiba bagotoka asensema Imperial Building, ground floor, Samange Bakre Simiase number 0745-2680-31 was 0721-243247. Springfield Medical and Vision Center, Guika Ekwe, Obokoreriobia.
Ne wachandikire n'ekitanguki ao cy'ibinyorume owebi okubura gw'ekinguru cy'obusacha omukyando bw'oroiboro amarwire ao nanene aliyo kwambukira na Stinsamo Chansoni egati ekigurube kinde bono tubasa gucyandika abanyagitari babanyuki mamanyuki na mapembe nabo barayiga bona sorwa ngorwa gusi eri baguturi kurwa sime cyande yagendere ko bagego kubenga batarire rero Stinsamo cy'icyanyancho meyo mu cyokisi use bakirisi migwe trasi namba cyabo 0704 115152 elio bagukorere emechande yo yabereke go cyasuboge mabwao.
A league unlike any other, made with purpose, designed for greatness. A league built on vision, to dream, love, and conquer. Legends rise, legacy lives. This is the Saudi Pro League, live on ESPN. A league where football unfolds.
Pink Premier Academy ne yamuye chiskuru cy'uburuso ekyo kikubeko buruso byeko cyasumwano ase okwanyolera egesomo ekyo kira makonye asa matukali busyo ezukuru yiga yekutuka ase bara ya kisi kiogoro jinsemo kiri cyamenyingwa ebale kogenda chinsemo kiri cyamasongo igo ebwateli bagaligi yali nene asabana bakokosodelia elyo kuburugirana gukine chitalanta cyabo ebirasi byabo nebigale ebyo bire ebiya nabibwata mazingira ayo akwirira abana gosoma buya ngosome bali kurwa playgroup PP1 and PP2 asbigo bagasoma kurwa grade 1 weka grade 6 nabago na junior secondary school nigo babwate science laboratory eyirengiya sabana bakolela amegelyo school yiga nigo ewanchira umurubiri umuje bw'amasomo OCBC ale n'amasomo nigo school yiga ekolera ebyegwa asebabwate music and drama inyuranga emirime yiga yokuyorokya yani art program nigo ekwa omwana obolemu bukokora amegelyo ayu akomutinye isko ye krasi.
Be a leader is to call service and not an opportunity to display power. It is a call to work. Being a leader requires determination, hard work, humility, and the ability to work with other people. So far as a leader, there were many opposition, but thanks to the never-ending support and encouragement of teachers and fellow students. Always believe in your strength and ability. No responsibility is too big for you, not too small to be rejected.
Efisi yabo ni gukwana nerigo lya mubuko asibego babwatemera bulyo akorengana muno konyora gwici amate ili kweniki ngakira umwana ngonyorale egesomo nigo bakuru busombe ku cyase bali bare HD scholar asibego bali barase boarding babwata mazingira maya yo gusoma in technico egendrete tutalere lero ili kwibwatania kabaye oyo mubwa bali bakwibwatania munice semi ejujira abayirere konyora obugimu buyasa matuko ali busyo asamange nabugwa kisimbu trase kinaba kitwa 0710-755-578 Gose 0714-673-963 Pink Premier Academy asubu wibuko chakira iliyoko kwa anke yao engia.
Ine kwabaire gukorera asenga kintambe guse nigo kwarwalire na gusalia endibo enyinge aha bono tokwa omoyo inyagitali ya Walfit Health Centers neroli chibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange.
We call your prostate eno borwere bwasumbuira abagaka sana bwe sukari, what we call the genesis of diabetes ngaki borwere bwe sukari bo somo bero goime hypertension no borwere kera manyinga ko genda igure somo be Walfit itosomete chinchereza to cyoko rwari amarwaire enchede ntangani itosomete ngendo nga conventional medicine yani ubonyagitari obwa kawaida itosomete ngendo nga nutritional medicine. Nutritional medicine na marioga aliakurwese endagera ya ito ya kawaida. Kwa mfano we have amino acids, ntubwate fatty acids, ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika. Bigo tumeka eso korwari ya marwaire. Nchirende ya gata tosomerete neka tukutumia international herbal medicine. Tukutumia marioga akurwese mete twarwari ya marwaire. Igao muchito bosongo monene ntobwate clinic yeito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza. Uhuru Plaza noerega iga marikiti gaiso wako ninyama kwali na iguru wachi wake goroba ya gatatu erumu 307A. Ntobwate branch muchibu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2.
Walfit Health Centers umusaniogo asamarwaire minyoka.
This is star power from the jump.
ESPN College Basketball, all in one place.
Enyagitari ya Nuga Best nenyagitari ya chirengu maso gusega sigire mechando aoya marwire ayo agendera ko bagagucanda mwanya banto nigo babwate emashini ya kerero iyo ekorongeya egete ky'umugongo yanyinyitora emekia yani kyabuna chingurungo toka kire ase omubere yasibya manyinga egatimirmende emashini ye nigo eroseraniri amaryogo ayo akorokwa nano diamond titanium ayo agotumeka ase okugwenia ale nayo obokoreri wanuga best nigo bole obwoigoro mono ase babwate mechibi eyo ekugwenia marwire yenda buna bulya bwa ovarian cyst fibroids prostate enlargement egatia yanda mange wigo mbabwate mashine nde okubeka samarikao eyo kuyarungeya igati yobokoreri bunde obu bakubwatuka imenya gitaririga iko bakwigura kera lituko ochakera chinse 11 chamambya gweka chinse 12 chamagaroba Nuga Best nigo bagotuka imiyomo cy'ubusongo ase nyumba ya Oru Towers lirongo lya kabere ase bare nene ku ruchinse mu kire cya Kisi Kisumu
cyase nabye na tambe ngasawo yigo saboyo mo anye tobo moyo munako batebi nziko batebi omurane timba so abo kimi ndo mo ko yija maria ya wamko be kanga ekene enyagitari yenye yankonya sana yani batemya sana bya mukirege biga bana na kore tu operation mara gatatu okorono lakini lero ma nda wakete wow na wakotomera omupisi lakini lero bana tumaso tiyeke bwana ekerekia soko enda tambe kanyagotale biga bana na kore tu operation kwa nombo chama Kaya mana sani mau pemain kalau deras, pasti wakora. Wah, banyak keluar kan, nanti orang boleh baca itu. Banyak materi ada konten mana yang punya materi lagi dia kalau mau turun, banyak hati. Nanti kita ada merah kon. Oh, rumah kita, oh sedang banyak materi. Ai ni kamu. Nikuja neka bako mubwatire tumo bangu
asamange bakirisi nigwetera sete namba cyabo echo kire 0700260518 gose 0770268169 gose 0770410411 wigo nabukubatalira ase website yabo eyure www.nugabestke.com Nuga Best kutanga mbuya kubwa kubwenia.
Welcome to Timiza School, where excellence is nurtured and dreams come alive. Located along Kisii-Keroka Highway at Nyosia 1, Timiza School is now admitting learners for 2026 from playgroup to grade 9. At Timiza, your child is taught by TSC-certified teachers expertly trained in the CBC curriculum, ensuring they excel holistically. We go beyond the basics by offering French and Kenyan Sign Language, preparing learners to thrive in a globalized world. Our modern facilities are designed for comfort and excellence. Spacious, well-equipped classrooms, comfortable and secure boarding facilities, modern and clean washrooms, clean and safe water for drinking. We inspire innovation and curiosity through the state-of-the-art science and computer labs. At Timiza, talents are nurtured through a variety of co-curricular activities including football, basketball, swimming, chess, scouts and inspiring music programs. With adequate training equipment, our reliable and affordable transport system ensures your child's safety and convenience. Don't miss out. Interviews and admissions for 2026 are ongoing at Timiza School from playgroup to grade 9. Secure your child's place in a school where excellence and opportunity come together. Call us on today 0726 88 2397 or 0729 65 8659 for more information or to book an interview. Timiza School. Discover your best.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Je, umesumbuliwa na shida mbalimbali za kijamii ikiwemo wizi, magonjwa kama vile kupungukiwa nguvu za kiume, utasa, ugonjwa wa sukari, purusela na magonjwa mengineyo yakiwemo yale ya zinaa? Usiogope. Baba Nyuki, Mama Nyuki pamoja na Mapembe wako hapa ili wazitatue hizo shida zote. Watembelee maeneo ya Nyanchwa mjini Kisii au wapige simu kwa nambari 0704115152 ili upate usaidizi. Pink Premier Academy ne yamuye chiskuru cy'uburuso ekyo kikubeko buruso byeko cyasumwano aze okwanyolera egasomo ekyo kira makonye asa matukali busyo ezukuru yiga yekutuka ase bara ya kisi kiogoro jinsemo kiri cyamenyingwa ebale kogenda chinsemo kiri cyamasongo igo ebwateli bagali gihali nene asa bana bakokosodelia elyo kuburugirana gukine talanta cyabo ebirasi byabo nebigale ebyo bire ebiya nabibwata mazingira ayo akwirira abana gusoma buya ngosome bali kuwa playgroup PP1 and PP2 asbibo bagasoma kuwa grade 1 wika grade 6 nabwo na junior secondary school nigo babwate science laboratory eyorengiya sabana bakolela amegelyo school yiga nigo ewanchira umurubiri umuye w'amasomo OCBC ale n'amasomo nigo school yiga ekolera ebyegwa asebabwate music and drama nyuranga emirime yiga yokuyorokia yani art program nigo ekwa omwana obolemu bukokora amegelyo ayu akomutinye isko ye krasi.
Hard work, humility, and the ability to work with other people. So far as a leader, there were many opposition, but thanks to the never-ending support and encouragement of teachers and fellow students. Always believe in your strength and ability. No responsibility is too big for you, not too small to be rejected.
Efisi yaboni yigukwana nerigo lya mubuko asibiko babwatemera bulyo aokolengana muno konyora wichi amate ili kweniki ngakira umwana ngonyora le egesomo nigo bakuru busombi kucyasa bali bara HD scholar asibiko bali barase boarding babwata mazingira maya yo gusoma intake nigo egendrete tutalire lero ili kwibwatania kabaye oyo mubwa bali bakwibwatania muniche semi ejujira abayirere konyora obugimu buyasa matuko ali busyo asamange nabo wakisi mwiterase kinaba kitwa 0710-755-578 Gose 0714-673-963 Pink Premier Academy asubu wibuko chakira iliyoko kwa ankyo yao engia.
This is star power from the jump.
All of ESPN college basketball, all in one place.
Springfield Medical Division Center nigomono egukorereria obukoreri bwa general outpatient consultation naboigo obubweria kukora bari ensemo y'uburingori gose laboratory services pharmacy eye care usensemo ya maiso naboigo ensemo ya maini gose dental nigomono bamentire obukoreri bwabo kuba ubuya n'obuyamono kigiba bagotoka asensema Imperial Building ground floor samange bakire simyase namba number 0745268031 kwase 0721243247 Springfield Medical and Vision Center Guika Ekwe obokorerio bya.
Super Superstores nero eduka asorgo nguriga rwa South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa biga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye chugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia yechigeche 25 mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na buigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na buigo web design mbabwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabonelia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na buigo na green ubutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokorengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi buigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na buigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Ouru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumucho yigo busongo iyo irangene duka ya Safaricom buigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Mwanjumulike karibu asensema iga ya engwana ya Getembe litukalikali lero lya Ichuma na muna etalibo tambe lero nigo tuli in-house na in-house na ndio kurunga full house na chake kurwasa okobo kurunga far right kurunga Eric Abuga omo chief editor oyito maiga ase geteseni kege Getembe na boigo oyito sinyine nero yobegete blue ya kurunga sami yenda political editor. Dia territorio manera Mwanjumulike na manga gandre kwa nakiwa ase ense ya Kenya engima na boigo asarokoro guchikorinde situkulia lero so guchutere tugoro litukulia lero omukutano gose omusangire gonya ko bakora komonene chisemo chegesiaga ebunge ya West Mugrango niga omo wasiri omo okoro omoske Dr. Fred Matiang'i nyara kwa wikira na sinse mecho sanya kwa bakobeka chingwa na chiaye ndikiri enza chindi chitaka geire enza chindi chiaka geire na boro nchiatigara na bachiko tuwe gotwara impact ese obochali obone bokale mutu wa 20 gose chitariki 22 abwa ase anene monese county ya Nyamira igoche gukora obochori na gochora aba MCA batatu omo MCA bodia Nyansiongo egotoke bunge ya Borabu MCA bwodi ya Nyamaye gotonge bunge egotoka ibunge West Mugrango na bego omo MCA we wodi ya ria Karanye gotoka ebunge ya North Mugrango Chonsi County ya Nyamira kulende ase ugochakira na kugonyera boigo sebalwanya ka bagwikira aria conspicuously missing sebalutanya bagwikira na ase umwegoyo no mugavana we county ya Nyamira omoske momyeribo omo senator gosemo konyo mugavana omosike James Ondichoge Sami Daktari na boigo omubunge we bunge yuo omoske Steve Mugaka na boigo omubunge we county ya Nyamira omoske Cherusha Mumanyi timaiti to chake na buga kurumoino gosetuga chake na samo ko banaye kwa lengororo timatinga okoligereri kwa ekaro koligereri from the mood muturacha ka koligereri nsachindi Kenya ka boigo kwano esa appearance yoka considering ali yangi West Mugrango umujumbe Steve Mugaka ali yangi Nyamira umugavana na masimamo nyaribo ali yangi Nyamira umudeputy governor no monske James Ondichoge Sami not withstanding inga oyo nomo umwiri gose isemoke omo center we county ya Nyamira igaiga impression kigende bunege gyanya kwa create
eso buna gwa chika goteba nona renge gali sense mo ya gesiega primary ase umuyego yunya kwa korekana sa matanga yo komweni nyagosira jas mugeni bugure an uncle to or an uncle to umo senator we county ya Nyamira umuske umo commissioner senior councillor Kongo Mogeni the mood when I try to analyze the mood ya rengegali and matches na matanga renge yokomania uncle to no senator but again it was political. You can tell it was political. So okobura kwa abaiga who are the political rivals nda tebebo mo senator na boy gogo se bali barase totebenga yarenge tukola vina issue ya one term or two term kwa sababu kero kwa rabanta bangi kerbari gotena gukwana igo barenge gukwana igura ya either actually one term kwa sababu abantu once bakwana you could telling up the mood was all about one term so you couldn't expect umo swati kusumo women we county ya Nyamira iche na nde eregara sensemeli ya two term na ndoroka ndikuwati se chameli ya UDA so bachori bugande ndokwanikirwa gusebwe buribuka gere koba wechi ward ya chisatu wa sensemeli ya Nyamira and again togocha aso mugavana we county ya Nyamira you and me know that umugavana we county ya Nyamira muske Amos Nyaribo mbali kuri tigante banga politically mbali kuri gerani no senator we county ya Nyamira in general rechi event chinyinge whereby onyo ya mokaro yondete yondo nyakaro onyo baro obonsi then it means nga kumachikere kora taribera number 2 being a political funeral ndani kwa sababu you could expect politics chipo na bara atware etangutangwandake maybe that the ground might be whipped, people say the ground might turn against Nkwara. Everybody who was speaking about Nyaribo Nkwaranga, it was all about a negative impression. So naena na bwata abantu bae bakamwaresa na byari bashikobandake ngomotera barenge Nyaribo must go one term or whatever. So it was a political move. Nkwani Josh Nyamokocha Nkwara no mo seneta karate negata banga igacha kwera niegi yesiri. Number 2, Josh Nyamoko igacha in an expressing touch thing for political issues. Igacha for just kwera niegi yesiri and the relationship
ngoja turikoligereria ase abu ase geke abuga ase amatanga sikwesi amatanga 90% ya event chikotoka sa matanga tatabe siasa no nyempa itio muntu ko piki turiko piki no ano buja buga rio sirete bobe buga yo sekendi no ndabange bago chabaga nyerete nga ngiye ko kwano ase siasa nne mona matanga muna ali ali ngasi chinza machiri za chinde nabo montara renge nga kitoko discuss ya matanga lakini ndito koja discuss ke kwara kirigia kole kanororo ngere wati ko ba discussed ese observation yao ese ugwikira na gweka kwa banga era berenga sajinde nabo montogo konyoro bokongu toke konye kokorekana seme ya muino bamwe na bata acheke kora ngorma na mogocha
Jerry to discuss matanga yo mondo giving the last respect to Abuga Mugeni itowa share tere Mabuga ndina mandenga Abuga Mugeni I said because I had known him some years ago so na mandenga I said until today morning na yunga kanda wala matanga it happens that Okongo Mugeni is my neighbor Kuruka so then the Paul so time matanga to discuss no toko Mugeni Paul na nto respect zo mugako liolenge senior but then tinda to discuss siasa ya yo mugusinga yo chikobera but discuss event ya rero happen ya mira is a clear image ine ekarakyo etabyo mugusi politically taringa tabyo mugusi maybe as being a responsible individuals within the community
lakini ke siasa bora
but kisiasa it's not weird it's not unique nganya mukogate na no musmamoe this somebody was giving you a story ngaki musbatio tukotana nere no mo kontenyo mena nere tokanda kamena nere njina mnyeta nere asenyomi abari mindinga eko kemo wakera Matiangi njina nyachagete anjira munyakera mona anjira lenge chairman ye group ye korendo kike support Matiangi Stalinga acha na bad faith ngari na chakao kingere mupingai
nyuma tutarageria abuga tumatarageria likoro ya muske chwash Nyamoko because na ere na nyara kabaga gotene ground kiaye in vakita banda bange baba surprise na whatever anyana kabaga gukwana ninjira conduct lakini nde presence gose absence ya umugavana umukojibo umugavana umujumbe bwe bunge y'umuske Steve Mugaka umugumendere
the morning kana link ko ta social media na rwanda katebanga matanga yi Amatiangi ngwanda to
Digora matanga bona matanga aba shifted kurwese umugeni ko chi
usije kile to a point that kira matanga asigete
agaba grassroots politically
na ndoko nyago shit na politician yako na matanga yo muntu nataba mu politician yo zabo nataba musani as long as you politician arasa matanga yo ze B arasa matanga yo ote matanga yo muntu ya politician yo ze B dirisha mumanyi no arenge Jubilee 2022 na support ya Matiangi sana but siasa ping siasa ochenjiri marengo yochira serikali
lakini bado mubata rweke ya
Jubilee yale bado mazina you cannot argue ngano mubata Jubilee because abantu abange ba change political camps in the last maybe 1 or 2 years so sio utacha matangali killing something kienge unique or say killing out of place le inelinga erochoro marengo enwali we have seen campaign ya Nyansiongo kwa more Nyamaiya kwa more na Kerenyo kwa campaign candidate ya UDA Muske Deputy Governor Nyamira, Muske Dr. James Gesami is more aligned with the government. Siko game nzima kwa na function jinga chira watanga
jiri program.
Tunaonda serikali ime na supporting the president asemepanga ya kwenda kike. Akokora. So that again tukialenga kene maybe Nyaribo nelenge maybe issue ngaki atato koro. But rende if you remember for the last like 1 month they have been saying Nyaribo is unwell. Na what he had traveled. Remember telling kiapo nyoreka Bangalore the Coastal University ya Kisi University Ngoro but yagapia in Bondo keba chite korora mamaida como apole ke matiangia le no alinga se grupo hii so in one way or the other some people could be arguing like to atebe nyalibara sukasa asinini asema to campaign but look at it the team matiangi na is still candidate chai in Yansiongo where as a UPA candidate yene which candidate chinde the team matiangi yamu support the candidate ya IPTP candidate ya UPA oyala end to nyaribo by como support campaign baka last week on Saturday bakatema ko balance nga bakande ensa mogete ward ba campaign Kevin Maranga bakande ensa mogete ba campaign Mogusu but it didn't work. At the end of the day it create more divisions as compared to unity and create within team Matiang'i kwa na nyamaiya baka campaign candidate ya UPA still Matiang'i ndio chietio ronya lipa chietio kwa na kerenyo still candidate ya UPA baka campaign so at the end of the day monto no tebanga bona team Matiang'i candidate baka campaign chi opposition
at the end of the day
that's me there's a differences in Jiroro because ideally Nyaribo feels like candidate the right candidate for Nyansongo ward should have been Kevin Maranga never but from the start kila bande basi nini I'm not what point basi bakaiwana nga support both candidates I've been looking at this post cha social media chairman ya UPA go post yore nyambe agisesa akata kwanyo hada nga twana Nyansongo campaigner opposition candidates barana into Matiang'i mo agora saringa I wish you the best Kevin Maranga but the abande bako post Mogusu
Jackson
so monta taga tebanga bono ndenga senza matanga lingi yango ya senator kongo mogenga to assume politics to kali ndike na matanga from the previous barriers to atore usiche matanga na manne usi na bose kichiko chaka matanga hivi ngoko force kwa genda matanga getenga because nyabe no akali sigi ya chaka but for me I feel happy nga kutani kutinga na wakunganya libotali matanga Ngesamtayengo na Joshua Mbalengo na abantu bali bala into the government Mbalengo because bango talk definitely paka bango respond some issues
na kukwane se kwenda nyuma tatara ligerelie issue ya mo na bo twali gote kujia fuidi kuje kwanira kitege kwanire gekora na ronja nyara ko gote nororo we rarely see omuntu oli okwereire wose oli enda korerigo gakoba yani gakoroki straight no of course kurusikana bakoroki lakini gali se somoyeka bwebirero gakoroki nga ensemali ne yegataite ko gosega komachi bali bane kutandi kote baraba bisa baye siasa then yesama moyebo bwa matanga lero ntwarara omo senator omusike okongo omugeni gako genda yani ingore nginga anganya kurwensemo ya matanga so abana sema ya siasa furi esanyara kabaga gukwana igoro ya serikali no bwe serikali nzachinde genteke karo okerigereri what if omuntu nare oyo murenga ali musani oyo mikigima lakini ule sema ya serikali
atoto ase sasa Kenya ikire bono se agusi madomo gusi tarikopsa koro ya ikra ko tigendo odanga abagusi asmana ndo kwate pride gete pride yeto ko New York
ogo atrans
ko New York nzeliyoka you see those are politicians timas ne ke mira get twakana ba cross gente bakana tambiko get bakana bakora kwa biro mwana siasa kwa keru kura you tend to forget some we call them ethos cho kuya kwa bangana nchi siasa okay nchi well defined nga eti ine tabia ya siasa but most cases tabia ya kisiasa kwa lerembe but once kwa jari chukura zo kwa nominated tabia kwa tema gutwara as a politician itaiko kwa kimu nanjuri kwa chole like now onyo yango yakongo mugeni ya I know how united the family ya mugeni the larger mugeni family united kwa nje ba introduce the guy the way emotional you ndaba ama senator tells you nga no montami said but you see I've had the current member of parliament for Nyaribari Chacha kwa tabanga chaka last month to waka sasa matanga Nyaribari Chacha well sasa tebo kwa matanga but you see abantu abako badachibesa those the privilege in the community bado anga monta atumuka anga badachibesa kwa tumbe na meriko ruete ke badachibesa they don't feel that pain no monto boko they come on
and by the way at what position yoko ikiranga umuchumbe na bwate right yoko determining ke ukwanwa samatanga
okay krocho lile
family I think family ne bwanto ko attitude yeyo
there's no family ekwereire iraga mwa kisa samatanga there is no never no naye nga wakwere matanga ese gechake but you know sasa ni tuna samne linga ebintu bine bina kokopera ama to kero muntu wale that ziko butuiro sino kokoro se kiara the pain is on you ne family yes kama kwate kanza se family the pain is on you kama muntu akwere nona yabo niko to kwere ro there is a way I'll treat you different from the way I treat you kire tole tokogete the pain kama muntu akwere ne ngao pi na pain na benge wato moko kole nyangi wato moko gete ka muntu akunyuringe na kwa katengire igati nyangi yo togote makarengere people even crying muntu to kule these politicians come ba watu tole is it that by coincidence ngabona matanga benya mira for the last 1 month bandambanya gote lakini baza alero ngobwente koleru obwente kokonya konya batinya mira batanga jiba sti nyingi dakika muntu mutaka huku ya no get bisi none coffin yabo mbere ngere mocha linyamira usikisi
is a political convenience
mbere ngere kwa meta mocha ali itakata 1100 1200 erusu lakini gali umondocha atabangana 1100 ga untunanga 1200 ga tietaniti tifechiza nguti nyingi ngwara mpaka the kind of flowers tiavekiro pakinga tiavekiro matanga jamba the kind of flowers chikobe kwa matanga manene kwali muga kobe kugali nabenga muga bekiro asobo ina bwana irodinga usikonya ona cumulative liga ro konye kenyo so in one way or the other nelinga I'm trying to utaka ko king one ko manenge linga sometimes politicians don't care about oyorombe
ngento barengere tine njiranyu muntu akanywa kondo akwane munata
actually I was even shocked even the mzee from Kisii the seasoned politician by the name Professor Mongeri nerega kwa na siasa matangali
umaite atachinde noko ki olio ile resa matangayu I think imba tema go capture sana kila muntu natema go capture sana attention eyo mo waziri mukuru umuske Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i then one of the reasons intachinde yagira twanyara kwa to kuligera ligoro ya ama moyo goyo nyara kwa kwa ni gori tukulira sanchiza mujage siaga ngeringa amatanga abere gakuburukana lakini witangi godinga lero matanga taburukaniti matanga na and then it should be a good example nga matanga na bagokora na bago conducted ya bantu bakwana control opinions ya bantu kero mundaru keranga kia at the end of the day nabo mugutuka mwakurire muyaga bwa matanga boya kero mundaga ndabo ya mutaruaneti mutamenyokaneti mutaugeraneti ase nyuma tutararigire ntubate bintu betu bantu kuligire tole igoro ya Omoske Fred Matiang'i speech yae aso bwenga riento ntokonya konyirige rende efapati murimu nabago chibata bese gasongo lakini ngo tema turi kulige kirianya kabago kwana kurende abaraya bange bakwana ali nigo banyara kwa bakuraganga nigo totarekere Matiang'i manyene of course nacho confirm lakini abande bakwana nga chikambeni chya Nyamira nigo chire Ruto versus Matiang'i samwe abona toko chakira
no
were they justified?
They were justified in a way singing Jonga. Let me tell you Jerusha Karate banga tarisegi ya Fred Matiang'i na William Ruto igataka koretanga tari lazima mochore kiama. It's not all about UDA na the United Opposition candidates. But kero abaiga bare aligned to Matiang'i baicha batabanga nesigia kwa sababu gani egento bako machiko teberangiringa abaiga bakora idonte nemunga ichi candidate ichigo chiko choru gwetera se the United Opposition okono gutaka koro kigusinga kiyaya ntogo tebature ntoramo abengo by the way if you go to the Rift Valley no hase William Ruto ata campaign eti bona bona tare maybe na bata campaign anywhere sekero kyo MC because mbiro ebinge lakini people tend to be it's a perception that onye wachora omurai or in UDA it means nga omurai bense wa support omurai bense so the point that abantu ba United Opposition bako oninga NSA ya Matiang'i na William Ruto ni linga if Ruto manages konyore kero gusi kyo MC it means that bono Matiang'i gakoroka nanga no rugongo rwa gusirweka taranyara ko bagokorubeka onyemba komwa bajumbe you know this politician tend to but nabere gonga okonyoranga keronga umurai geta chorire kurwa segete igo you are giving the support just a presidential candidate. Number two, let me tell you, once you want to become a president of the Republic of Kenya, oikotware support ya wajumbe oikotware the majority the senators the governors so ekerugo kiobo MCA iko kiachanga timu baisa gochora abarai bakurwa se United se UDA kwa sababu gani moko bachora yekorokananga amugusitaliamo na tali ready to support Fred Matiang'i. That's why kobesegia William Ruto na Fred Matiang'i. So if abarai bachoru wetra se Fred Matiang'i then ego bagatabanga bono gusi yakoreki ya bwati Sir Matiang'i. But if the UDA are now chosen, it means that Fred Matiang'i no ngorwa gusio kataranya rakoboga konyora support. Nando ko maitenga support yego cha gwetra sabara ibari bachori. Yes.
So don't you think go ikirase to go cross fanga SAA iga nigere gati ya Matiang'i na Ruto ndachinde nogo demini musika Matiang'i indirectly gakwera aiganso Matiang'i.
Buna bona I can tell you Toto, look at why people have spent both the UD and the United Opposition. They have spent in Nyansiongo. I think Nyansiongo is where Mumura, I think Matiang'i is come from that area.
Matiang'i Nyansiongo sababu.
Yes. Do you know by then in Borabu constituency almost holds everyone in Nyamira. Ochakere Fred Matiang'i Manyino and almost senator and governor. And Patrick Osero. That's why Patrick Osero karagote na otebanga ne romo jumbe bwa mabwenyanyi. Wale wade chibes kwa sababu majority of the people paka na iwa the former CS of education ngakiagoroga Ezekiel Machogu na erna kabwate land yoro.
Tali nakabwate bonse no abapenya
no babuga tali.
Kwa masetro.
So I think Abuga can also organize tomanyanga what is good in Nyansiongo na in near future toga ndoro because koranga nero Karen ya gusi as Karen of Nairobi or whatever.
Chinde meraji yari ro ngete bana to konyora.
So what I'm trying to say Keringa Nyansiongo has been invested because igago chakuro. So what if UDA wins in Nyansiongo? What will that tell? What is the picture will tell? Which is what is the picture being sent? So just like the way to have got the UDA in Kiamba last time was just to confirm ngayaya to a shift. It was sending a message that we have shifted from Uhuru Kenyatta. Now we are heading to William Ruto. So if today Nyansiongo is gone, then it means that it will bring some picture a very different.
Abuga is the danger bonaga from where I see it. Totebe for example umurayo yo mesabara yaba igaba aba MCA ba igaba gochorwa yo mobo baba gochorukoru bali musike Matiang'i atene notebanga nabwo go support oyo mobo gosebonsi banyari kwa bagwere chikureti enyorenga mbara ikeria to the level eri itabana nje bakagerete. Does it mean musike Matiang'i nacho nyonjera yo badison ya bambali bana gosene njera ya moyo kuyaka matobe already wachagire kabugwato at 2025 wese by election na baka bweka ina bando kujikotoa mutwa.
I think politically I could say that the idea Matiang'i come out openly
to support
each candidate specific to me it could be make an stick call expert among expert and like a level expert Matiang'i I can do other things for Matiang'i but the level to a point out of the support each candidate as a matanga
nada matanga atali elichoni atali as a word
those words you know I expected like Matiang'i agende Nyansiongo kijeuri our support is for
Jackson Mugusu
aruororo kile Nyansiongo and so Kevin Maranga gali paraiga ndekere support for Mugusu but then the level ya Matiang'i it should not be coming down or campaign for
MCA
but you see now the common mwananchi Nyansiongo Kenya Nyamaya ward could want to teach generation. The people might think talike muntu ngani tegetembe kama na ngatembe ngolegas. Take muntu lesuko gali wantenga abu ngatembe ngolegas gwetebia. No, there's some matter word is trick. Young man uboga bantu angwa ke by election have been something different. Wala umuntu kwa ma opanish.
Word ne binyomba.
Unyomba ke tenge ne bayana yambe ke tomoro muga na absolute tomote on to le petit word. And you see how many votes do you have in Nyansiongo ward? Assuming that from last elections there were 16,000 votes. About validly, we're going to talk 16,000. I'm sure no need to work in because maybe I will be working somewhere else. Maybe I want to travel back home. Work at Chikura, ward. don't be shocked ninge winning candidate nyanza kwa nyali close nje wisatu nje bube
anjika isa
I can tell you from the max matianga mekirero story helicopter nini you see I tell people the average voter in this country is poor other than making a decision okra umuntu chikura and to contribute more tungiwaka chikura kubate yo mondo nga chimilioni 200 million chatumikira so kwa chindera rocha nyanzongo ward that's the story como mwananchi mo taka they feel happy
because abana barode chinda
yes you know people ask you ake kwa lengo mugambi ngwatendeke
gosa etero kutumia
so what change
arafu chikampeni chikali ko chimutu wengi ko
chakutumia what change you know aprenyo candidate as we speak about no to ndege maybe ngale support geteiga what an end that's gari so an ndege Matirende the idea of the common mwananchi bono kwanza kusi. Mata chiendo chetake ruti ni kusi bobe. Yani ngato waka kura
na
utara wewe.
Abu chienda utara ndare. Antu atso kaisiko to kwana no mungwana gito yo moiga. Tinta itu kumukwana litaria no mwana siasa we na bando no yo mabese wali bamanyikana tubyiga. Onyaro kwana ngato kagenda Nyansiongo. Ritu arule chibesa igatoka rumi 200 tata bangwana gete bagacha bakarumi 500 ikabiri na ndo irano to bamenda 300
you see now that's the danger but that's the someone can give an example I can give some Nyamai award I think the other day was in Nyamai award and I'm looking at the campaigns you know the candidate for you let's say this talk about because Tikurangwa Kuchira and you're not supporting anybody but Tikurangwa Kuchira the UPA candidate seems to have had an upper hand in campaign in Nyamai award for a long time. But you see, how you convince the people is through campaign. Whichever means, no let every two around. No let every time, every case in Banet, I'm not simple at the kiss and Maka. Nobody cares about the campaign. There's no the more detail. I want I take a tamba, gender, Puranget, in the Kinini, scratch mouth. Come on, that means you go to me, scratch as long as you maintain the law. More responsible as the readers and the voters. There's a day the ODM, the people who stayed in Nyamai will tell you that the Chris was ahead of Chris candidate.
Yeah.
Then all of a sudden, you did again or create some tension in Kobe. Candidate you did Nyamai. I think all of a sudden, ODM come up with a campaign on through the leader of majority Kisi County Assembly on Bernard Molacha. A campaign for a day. I don't know what happened in between. ODM Rueto, no Skeva Rueto Nalero, after almost 2 days over a day, and then you did Kirano. There seems to be something that I thought them was told to quit from Nyamai, something might have happened. Because they only appeared there once. Actually, there are people who knew the ODM candidate that day. The Bajeto, Baka brand wording, Makarian, and Bakaru. Something might have happened in Nyamai. As we speak about the connection between the UDA candidate and the UPA candidate. But there's such a word. I think today was a threat to UDA. Not even the government in Kenya Kwanza. The threat was the UDA
as a party.
Because you are spending. Now, UDA Nale and Greo. Mambia I'm going to change 10 impact Nyamai. So the truth comes real.
So for me, politically, Matiangi, the thing why I feel that you might have done wrong, so on. So my automatically, if there's a lose, bono igo chikora kananga
Nairobi bono wanjira ndirenga mali
kwa sababu gani when he was talking about Josh Nyamoku he told you ngangwa leta tobi ugateba no ukagenda rogoro ugateba no ukagenda rogoro ugateba no so meaning that they had sat somewhere and they have agreed nga umuntu toje kujora no rulio no and let me tell you if UPA or not UPA but the United Opposition was have the team led Matiangi candidates. In fact, if they cannot look in a way, they end up losing. Kwa sababu UDA university ya somo ntoyo. In fact, it is United Opposition candidates versus UDA candidates. Oyomo. There is the candidates and there is candidates and the candidates, whereby the United Opposition seems to have candidates. So if they are fighting against a candidate here, where UDA, and then everybody is coming in the name of Matiangi. Kwa sababu, look at the case whereby the PDP, and you saw that the supporting area which has PDP. UPA still who is saying it's Matiangi. The what other Mondo Jubilinaro, what about Matiangi? So Ngochiko tuara bara scenario whereby we have a Segia within the other team against just one candidate. So it means if Matiang indeed today declared ngo support those candidates who stood, then it means that they have to work hard kwa sababu wikabarorenga ngakibako nyolibiroge egere maybe techakomwa a face to face shame. Madara ko totebenga ko keep off. And then I koroka nanga talengand. Then ile direct
then another of my worries is akartu ngo kamba na moliketo kunyamira yomo fatika December na thatinga ngaite gosenya maiya bwata ba rwaniri ange 12 12 umusike Matiang'i tene no yomo wigia makia UPA esta iria tene no yomo ababande 10 anyabali 10 nomo wasabale 12 abandi 10 nomo mba understand tinga giriteri kia tume koko chora ngone ra go support ngakia ko joga convince abandi 10 nomo ngabono ncheno yo ino bono support kusiga ngakia ko convince abaiga you know that's one of the reasons to kota banga chinde tabwe nte western ni siasa yiga because I already o create a wedge between abande bagotenga ki inchenonde ODM lakini ndese Matiang'i njenonde chubiri lakini ndese Matiang'i lakini musiki Matiang'i tene ndatabirenga na maiya yo PA karanyo yo PA Nyansiongo PDP ababande nga yagote muna bono abugata banga for example musiki Kevin Maranga oyure kiamagia UPA nga yego cha goikochi ko muikaransia matenge ke gate na rigate kanyongo na isaine kokobwa.
But you see there's a word called Ekerenyo to what they candidate ya Jubilee.
Yeah.
Because as much as they want to step aside
step aside already
they are in the barrel. Ndombale bare mundata ngati ngakiresa mwe kuna otigete tigamwakire kura akitinga onyo muntu kole kwa keri etalia olita ye karute oli kane karam. My word is this. So are you saying that in Nyamaya ward, in Ekerenyo ward, that Matiang'i get funds from Jubilee party, candidate Jubilee, and I can be candidate UPA? It's a tricky affair in Nyansiongo. You see, branding the campaign is here the 3 wards. That's a contest between Matiang'i and William Ruto in the backyard ya Matiang'i. Yabo ndako banga e campaign toka Nyansiongo Nyamaya na Ekerenyo is a contest you jikoroki ngomo gusina njete Matiang'i. To sabale keranga you are declaring a contest between a candidate, a first time candidate presidency, ne president of the city. Which again you are daring, you can spend all the resources but
and then that president yaro manyana taracha tebenga erena manyana
the contest and down. Even the presidents are fighting campaigns here Rift Valley including Baringo. Okay, na appear Robert he appeared for his
but negasia jeta da negasia jeta.
But you see there's something Matiang'i kwa na pick that he requested Onyonga na Kongo Mogeni bari dia bagusi to joining Jubilee. Takwa na governance. Akwana Kongo Mogeni. No, I was thinking, what if Nyavivo comes out to campaign in Nyamira? What if Zimbabwe goes to Nyamira to campaign for the ODM candidates? I was just thinking about it. They now already Matiang'i declared the contest there. AI na Ruto. So what if the 2 governors go campaigning there?
You know Vatan.
With the contest between Matiang'i Fazia Wanamu.
You know Vatani Kari.
These are political statements we can make. But that's our own view, but their view needs experts, Matiang'i. But I wanted to see. Now, what if, when they were creating a Jubilee candidate here, what was their thinking? Like, to make a which embarrass them, what was it? Actually, the party has to give him resources.
Yeah.
But he never had resources. Same case ne ODM candidate in Nyansiongo ward. Machungwa group.
Machungwa.
Dennis. Nere. What was the ODM party thinking? Kebako Mokiria and yet Mati Mokara campaign. What was the ODM party thinking? Kebako and Nyamaya who campaign a candidate ODM. You see, there's so many questions about this. But there's something new. Matiang'i and that's a speech at they have formed a political pact. Maybe a
coalition.
Jubilee have formed a coalition. Now you want to have PDP na kwana PNU chama chinde nini. So what is so hard for these candidates, these politicians? Because wakasema yes to form a coalition na Jubilee ahead of elections ya 2027.
Mapema.
Another thing, let me tell you, Toto, and the people should remember, onye chikuranchiri chinkongu is by-elections.
Yeah.
Number one, the disease that is in by-elections, you are buga chika ukwa nanda ito confirm.
Low voter turnout. Low voter turnout.
Voter turnout. Nande inkoranga kero monta kuchera with a by-election, chances chuko chikuira nigo chikoba chinke. Kwa sababu, look at, we have had cases, we have had people who went through by-elections. Of course, much as they have but you can tell majority, but which was succeed kwa sababu, enenga kianketi galiti. Nkigo cha wateya bantunga, this is 2 years, roughly one and less, because miyake vere strike. Abu mwako in fact, yunoko error busi, unorwe koro, uyonde wana bantungo backbar on campaigns. Inkigo cha wateya bantu. So sometimes in koranga chiba election is kind of a political suicide to politicians. Also muntu to get a long-term future. Babu na bego wake and to get was everything and all legacy. The way you expected, things are not going the same.
Of course, to arrange by election ya soro kongo ruagusi asa matukabu ngoiga per election area bete ase award ya nyanyecheki chingigima msio mutangani asirete mabugaya ekaba by election gete abantu bagataba ngantwanya korabuneye ekaje kabe yende ese ebunge ya boncha chingaki omoske olo oyo kasirete mabugaya na ekaba nganja koragamneye na bone jabe isato koruase ebu county ya Nyamira na jeje gatabakana ngantwanya korra chinga ndechi.
We are talking more of Nyansionga and Nyamaya more than Nyakenya. Nyakenya comes to the last.
No, it's the same case. You know, we see what after winning elections and support serikali.
No pact.
Nothing support most. What supports what paid? You know, Chris Osemo was supported by the government. Jim Mruma was it. Remember Kari Onachita Matanga, the former cabinet secretary Macho. He wasn't in government. Why that the government started not supporting at that point Mruma was it? Would have had a different case. I will speak about now. Chris is a creation of the government that was that time. And the government was supported that time. Na some other candidates were supported. And I'm fighting, would have been a different case. But I can tell you, their fears in Nyamira.
Then I can talk about the kwende semende nelinga umoske chacha mukonata no kwana akinaga ni director anambekere enkwana ya chacha nyamoko umoske chacha nyamoko esa nyaka baga kwana tunyara ko batokoranga ngikirya nyara ko gagoteba gekora nabwo gochikotwa basis ya kelito gochikokwanira ase ekarato kugenda guchi ase enseme yuende burendekera abara ya bande batena abange babo niko barakana bakomochi animono ensemo ya serikali kimasomo director na nyalire enkwane yo moskecho ashinyamoko
na baibere batebino Moscow e grand star Fred have been sitting in his caucus and even conducting all the affairs. Cheer money campaign yae, then the Peter where na my UDA member of parliament. So a safari to what a safari and Dambi. Let's be very careful. Ntoma isikokwana kemosi, istali to kwana. Moscow needs a lot of support. Mo maisko anya moiche bilero yotota to assist ya basifanye campaign kere bogirango kemosi na ngobolu muisonde. Why don't you go and support Mosque Fred Nyansiongo? Na seki mutaenda mu support umwana olia oliotenenegara. Let's do that. Yani haitoshi nende tisaini no ana asini una mwaga nyagero Fred yago icho mwamanya kuanza kumosungoka omoskoyo ayat mugusunga yo. I sent you money yesterday. Is that not the case? Then I better go support because I know he's a friend. Yeah? Na band. Omoskoyo yoko rubungaro ungaro simama. Omoskoyo nije na mwiro Fred Matien. Tani jena koiror. Teba ego seaya. So Mosque Fred. And I really want to say this. Abaska abami ndobo speed gabadi gechishati elinde barwe support. It's not enough. Ken is here. Now I don't know how much you have done. I sing in Mosque Fred. inche gonjore na UDA. Yeah, you want term. There's no problem with that. Lakini wana sengi incho ne
Mwanjo murigerio ni kwa nayo mjumbe bwe bunge ya North Mugrango Mosikecho wa Nyamoko chingakia nyara kabaga kutoka ngana roba punching pagi gabo kiro muntu tenna onyo nyara koraba ga koromie serikali nere mbakanza chinde na wonta soke gukwane kenga mbali batabwende kurutana na ngundi lakini nere rabanya rali bagali kumurutire ngundi shikumuje ngundi na timate briefly in less than 30 seconds ko bende gia chira bongo bwane is there way abantu barabe kuba control dinga ngotakere gukwana matanga ngotatakere gukwana because chi protocol cha serious matanga omuntu okonyono ndibwensi yagotenota ebyo ndibwensi no eno omuntu I am sorry to say this lakini omuntu nare munanje bono nganda tabenga zachinde if it is not about the journalism I'm not qualified okoso Musike Fred Matiang'i the only powers I have chiko mokoso through the highest of a journalist Tima thingi
Tiana injentebe yo. Obuga ngwatanga na gwatebanga abantu mbale bachalinga matanga Matiang'i. Use muntu nga matanga yo Matiang'i. But I want to believe ngabantu baenda chinsemo chichege siaga 70% baendo with the name of politics. Politically abantu mbale bataka korra Matiang'i, abantu mbale bataka korra samadha ngogocha. Amatanga abere politicized. Amatanga abere njiragete. If there's no politician that can come, actually, again, taken to up one hour, we shared a kamukunji to abwate. By the way, what if we're deciding politicians won't come to Asamatanga? What could it look like? You see, Okonyoranga, there's low turnout, and then to achire, to abono, to asira segete, we are like in a campaign mode. I don't know my them what mangana ye loot because mangana handouts. Bona ganda utie jiri serious ama ndombe babo with an expectation zingi pata yako correct pata yako ser so I think much as no mujumbo nyaribali much as yote banga politics na matanga nobody was the powers got banga siasa ta koreka na matanga yeah
abuka karo correspond gore ndekyo do yegende kendekia kurese ngwano mentrani gore ngwana yo Mosikecho wa Nyamoko anyara ko baga kote banga abande ni gomo kwenda mwebisa mwaganya matanga ali Matiang'i ari na romugocha egera monyoreri bagali ogokwana ngimo ngai ko nyamuri na nyara ko bagosinga otu mujumbo mukoro bwe buga West Mugrango Mutike Finisiti Mosikomboli kama na ko ngajure ko ingeta ko jira nyansiongo wakiromo wakire nyarebe ko ngita ruchira so to wakire nyarebe ko na nyaka bagosinga otu ngabono rere kara Matiang'i ari mwamusukunane is it yani abantu mbali go inawe baganyete nga aguboli agoboga Matiang'i ko ndara matanga ko ndari na je ko ndande Matiang'i ko ndara matanga ya atari ko ndara leo na nje tiri ko ndara.
But that is where you find the crowd. The crowd yacha akaria, yacha kate sio Musike Matiang'i. So abantu tageto ko joyride on the crowd and then yeah, opportunity yako gani.
But what I'm here to see among all those candidates, among all those politicians who support Matiang'i from Gusii region, I'm here to see anybody ora angeza segotia Matiang'i achukua. On the day you look at you have a background here ya siasa ya Gusii. What history ya siasa ya Gusii. Mondo chukwanga segotia Matiang'i ngachukua achukua. It's not a difference now. And even from the 3 by-elections, it tells you what was going to happen. That you be the candidate as a by-election. Never again by support. The Matiang'i by support. Ondo chukwanga segotia Matiang'i tenga wana kubolindi. And you know, naninya moko some my close friend, that tenga ne friend, but I have friend in the level nga Jinomolik and a politician. This is one gentleman from Nyamira, also from Gusii cross Badia Ruto. Story that I believe and maybe I could be understanding that is a cross body when he tells you anataka na example getenge kero musacha nyomiro mukungu mukungu nyomiro musacha kera se passions divorce ya tokire tene mwana ngiria baka batema ko United ko ende lakini pati ya mayata banga aya nje nyomira au nje nyomete oyo soyo kali mama ndingo jikora mundo ndingo no maite ke andreda ene baka batenga aya bana mbaro the only way to kill a marriage in the Gusii traditional way no kuira dowry songa asia tenga bono irani marriage ya kule na ande chukena ndio yakabiri ngabana mtunyane ngatho nganchi wakan amukobara ze story endonge inde twachagete
Inji na inge chairman.
Kasi ya Matiang'i. Inji na inge chairman. Actually, it was a shock. Some of those politicians became stay early.
Yeah, it shocked many narrow no any style by PF back
no, next clip kwa liga antawange baba but this guy is still reminding you a candidate what is strong guy moko ngana is strong. Ninje na mweza Matiang'i. Yes. So inumule magwe nyombe ime asa bwato bo kimubwate kenya mayo. Ninje na rengo. Ninje na gote binti ngabe kwa mokoli. Yo mose koli mwe munole mwe ngaki. Ninje na ibege tora. So in short Matiang'i ninja moko is telling the team Matiang'i again. Mwana moikaranze mobe in your comfort zone. Mwebe ngabantu baleskoiga who worked for that system. Same way Gashagu was crying anje na worked for Kenya Kwanza regime nini lakini ngaseli. Iso pita gari skogari. But one question that comes to me une mind yomolik. Why change of tune Nyanyamuko? Mataka wako mopira nile fani ya Chelsea ndekalo kanta ruete kanta ruete Chelsea na midfield ya kwetasi ni. So you sit and listen to Nyamuko and we wonder if we have lost this gentleman from our
why did they let him go?
Why do you let the gentleman to go? Ngikara rueto. Lakini it keeps on reminding you. No we eko boy.
Lakini bado baka as late as yesterday ninge na motomerete jibe. Ngoja waje campaign ninge.
So support yening. Oma kwenyolinga nonya kimoje campaign gusi muri gocha mokora Matiang'i. Manya go swena na round ya sale mokora to kick. And that's why we have been keeping saying desk donga kim. Matiang'i apata more baggage than even support atakira konyora. And you know Nyamuko commission some names.
Yeah, nani mention.
So mondo wato bonga kwa ngaki mondo mention you. So mondo wato bonga. Kaya so you can start getting Matiang'i na president without then support into then you'll be embarrassed. But again donke na ande wa kwano mondo ndo kwana nga siasa ya gusi. Mada tuatwa romo bomo gusi. Actually less than a year to elections.
Yeah.
Akini kasamparatika twice. Kasamparatika.
I remember.
Who's going to hold this support for Matiang'i? Support Matiang'i hapo ate not for this leadership.
Yeah.
I'm sure Onyonga, Okongo Mogeni, including the Professor Ngeri, this own politician, will not come talk to me and support Matiang'i. Omo gusiwe kama nyenega amwet sometimes back. No matter how many you hold in Gusi region, no call 10 per day, you will not change your mind you Mogusi. Mogusi kind of amu irenga, ntolega, na wande balega. But one thing I could want to remind those ones who are supporting, the politicians, not even the common man, the politicians who are supporting Matiang'i. Remember, elections are a process. The water, nomination, the water, no conduct ballot. Don't hang, a time will come, those ones who cricket Matiang'i will be told, want a nomination.
Bonds.
Yes. Because still you give them that ticketing about direct.
Because mna wanega tukiabagira linyalia kama ongelinga ase ward ya West Mugirango umosike chwashnya umosike Vincent Kamosi abo iko umosike Rogers Motrio Guardian
no bale ma
na ndo bale ase side ya Matiang'i then akarona agenda gochi nkali bubasi na nyoroma ngwana getega na ero kurigeria mangana ge siasa balibe madringa jitaba bali tukana list balibe kenyoro in fact kenyoro ji bali bako ba serious yakora ago koeresa with the passion yani tari ko beka masopo imego sitting ina jete school sitting ara ko eresa mna manyete nganyoro mo kontenga mo itibuna babasi bono iga Matiang'i na watu mochando ngaholi mochando ki Matiang'i mochando bwata noyo mo siko biri no hali
bichira no hali
mjira yo mochokoro no ale alafu na Dr. Siringi no ale abantu abansi barasi Matiang'i abantu aba
ngiroli yake
takwa ngiroli yaro ngiroli ko no ale pa bono I think challenge re kara go motwanga kinga kiwo pale nga kiwo balance nga kiwo balance ibinte eviance then ngento ken kiamu kwa ne kali masambo sengwanya rako kabaga ke note timatinga ndito ko jagote kwa ne regole kamalie chane bonus nja kwa ne rwali omulimi kana understand nga kichibas che bonus chiko ikira omulimi
you know let me tell you toto
kuna siasa che bonus cha bero
ngere na eba wotabia the mwaka na again tongere na eba kukwana by the way whereby we had a shift of almost ke Eric Okongo Mogeni koru being a family member to politics nataka kotabanga you know a politician is a politician ngora randa abantu bakogende kanisa this leaders we have these politicians omuntu ogende kanisa otabanga igane kanisa ande na detinta yetu kwana about politics okwana or gusino muchanga, lakini at the end of the day you realize that there's politics in that place. So there's no way you cannot separate from a politician. He can be a family member, he can be whoever he can. He is a politician. The same politicians n'abantu bagocha they learn the weakness of the government. You can tell her for the next some months, mpaka maybe kajanyo taking out. People will joyride on the issue of bonus. Ikina kike into latest serikali ya rokana kusibagu wakira serikali. So they are taking the advantage of chibesa chirichinke bako serikali. I mean the T bonus abari mebanyora kuge politicize. Actually, let me tell you nga. Again, it is resonating with the people and the way politics have been done. Let me take you back to 2017 elections. Inki kiarenge the defining power, the defining moment, wacha se almost William Ruto. Iga tabatenga. These are dynasties. Na ndiko kuligeli onyoranga maenepi abanda banda dynasties. Inche asela ninche na rurense na achirego. It resonates with the people. So that's the kind of politics abantu babwate. Igobona kero murai mwana siasa gwache usio batebenga ama ina yeso pie bonus 10 shillings mwari yerete and you know that abale mebare kusibe chae abantu bakinere chae including abuga some other people you will confirm n'abantu abange mata abantu bagatema kolinga amane serikali tebwa timuremi at heart. So again the carries on it. So there is what we call divide and rule in politics. So that is how they divide and rule, that the weakness of the government politicize. Some majority, but the other side maybe the government is not thinking about it.
Na chete kaiga abuga na chete kaiga seito ganyorango ita chaya ito no yo ma wasabali bakinete chaya. Ganyora kana chete ko ite chaya ito ime. Ngate banjibe komanya nganyango atebi nganonya ninje nale ko banga ninche ngore chae gotor kurboito kuro mugondo ito na bontanye gore yani it's on a serious note chaero ya very neglected because yo konyora can you imagine mugondo bwe chae obugate ono mugondo bwe chae ogumanya ki echae liye para mate lakini mugondo bwe chae obugata matoka mange ko bwe chae mugondo yume obwate bitume bige ko bwechae obwate amahoga paere tera mama ko bwechae bono mono no bwechae ko mondo bwe binde one chaere binde mo maite so ita tested yemi gonde menge ye chae nande karo ke kwara sunga za chinde nge to ko re chae to telingi jago chagocha ya to kapa no to understand bya pinga ki echena se chae montara to ko kwara siranga to no task force take ko so kwara siranga igento karo mwana nchago chandika no bole bwechae neke tari manganase because I don't think ngaba jumbe mbunge ne karanse atabe ngantu bana muna National Assembly to etirishiko umulimi akado shilingi 100 kere kilo tikati soro mun nane Ruto nabwa tali chinguru choko sign insenga gocha ko mweko gocha kiro mulimi muno ko bimecha ika kwa guli shilingi 100 ekilo. I think I think man kero ko ikanza gusiwa tegerasa ya gusi sometimes you wonder like age group around between 18 and 35 years. They take stock of the kind of politicians to because you cannot find, let me not say 80, but somebody between 70 and 80 years. All government positions in this country, telling us the issue that you have served government for this time. You failed to entrench sheria engendonge from the time kwa lengo bisi ekonyo mwananchi bwichae ekonyo mwananchi bwa mabere because I had nani how do you talk about this history ya mabere kama ntabare chwe mabere na chiba ko ba campaign all those things in then you wonder like in fact na kwa nono bwe chombe se no bwa sitire chinga gyalengo chinga gyalengo mo siasa bwe bwa lenge igoro bwa kea lakini na Ruto bwa siasa na ndo bwe ni chombe nyomba bwa chombe. You see, ngochana story ya chombe ke ngonga affected but not discuss story ya mabere which also comes from that region. Issue ya mabere, the challenges in the dairy sector kalicheza kale. So 1 year ago, 2 years ago they have been there. Ntarembe kama kinande miaka between 5 and 15 nuza mabere ka kono ukuruka. But once na 15 18 years mabere akaanza kubura. Something might have happened at that time.
Same case in HI. You see, mundo kinabono again coding some, ukole school recently. Muboli ya kiado lecha ta gote. Usiko boli nga waya tonga tola matabire ne ngoro, ta gote the reason why. Kato kito tabunga, umusala teringa mo ndemo gondo, motora matabire ne ngoro. But being young people, nto amande kwa lusema matabire ne ngoro, eketingo kebrusia. But when you get to a point, the factory in the private, chitagete.
Orabye cha no mo.
Orabye cha no mo bai.
Mangereto.
I don't know. There's a factory somewhere in Nyamira by day. Kaya target ya kumangereto. I don't know what mangereto ngia mente sikesongo. Baka tolerate amba kama talibai. And you could take actually let me just ring it factory ya yango ya Kongo Mugeni.
Mugeni factory.
Mugeni factory. As the one of the best tills what in Ngusi region one. Actually papa tamaja nganya linda. Akoliza chisi kwa amachanga tamaya sana. Vanessa, they know that's two things I'm going to go. But now you need to ask yourself a question. Is it the teacher I talk produce from Usi? Is it the quality? Yeah. Now it's a fact when they to very young about yesterday was you were to they were strict in near so come those issues in but if you get you see Waziri is saying about the Kalengo minister when you attack. Yeah. But you see being at that level as a cabinet secretary for interior, he should have done away with the market. Why that he did away with the market? But now you see, you want to do away with but remember, there's a demand, and there's a market somewhere. It means just actually, Montango discuss Muzunenge racket, somewhere in the Marakwet, Pocoti Mari, Telecom Monange. Do you think a common Monajan and Dagole Wunduk was a great jump? You see, yeah. But you see, I really want to think that one day, Montanati Brab said to Munanians Young, and then I'll put Chibetu. There's no day chamber Chibu, took away neighbor Aburabu. At the Chachiresco, Chajiko. That means that intelligence told that government, the only way you can eradicate your way with Chombe, no water and within Nigaga, so very minute. The market is there. Deal with the market, or did you then now you could have done away with the entire, the full circle, you will wait him. But telling us no way we are okay, you work it.
But again, being almost yes in Gabanta policies, maybe. Because now my thing, this is not a Mali stay, guys, a statement here. Now my thing, which I'll go almost yes or interior. Is there a boss for winger in such a policy was an idea getting a continuity again taking a chico colleca on your baby bochico work on Arura on a Bengaman about not having a necessary Koroma, a Koromo maybe a Caroro, Yamel Dioka, you might say Jacarota, you take a coin because you got no chocolate at Vichicorum. So, was there a possibility maybe a policy for
somebody like Samo Kurkioke? Now Kurubas in at least the money neighbors now, man, say, but you can go over a mono, not magical Burabugal. Actually, if you find someone you want to between the age 25 to 40. Kinga twese to agwa the chombe gotuko chiefly michago to agwa chombe. It was so bad that people were running away from echakanyata ya beru which I were abantu bakanza kolema ko kama chombe dairy farming. That time baka review, there was a review ya kwende ya KCC ikanza kana ndega sima pe ndanga kanza kokoro, but bona iga it's back to square zero. But you see, there's been a talk. You go to Borabu as a constituency, the lower side of Borabu, Ibon, Nyansiongo, Ward, Sise, Kineni, all those areas, Ngombe, Manga, the kind of road network you had that time. So you cannot talk about eradicating Wewe Chiombe or improve other infrastructure. Wewe Chiombe. How do you control it? Or to proper infrastructure. As per Menyete, how the access image from a station in West Valley. Now there's us to Niborabu. And sock theft, but for a long time, as far as they kill, Chamberlain put their side, Magona access. called Sparichenge Chimbe. But there's a major road here Suburabu, from the side ya Asmati ya Nyagajete, Kurunyansongo Ngumbu gase Simbaut farm. You access here and yaju kumite pale kwenda KCC. Yaju ikambaka matu skimu inogari. This was a road that I was to several years ago. So take a chome jiko ibu, abasigari baba ebo go drive along image kwenda banya chombe. But paranji alenko that time. Sponge party arasi. Where do abasigari the main police station do wate ni Nyansongo ward. Even the what was a division of police station, do wate na Manga police station. Ya toro Moses for a long time. Abasigari ba menete kaiga. Onega neroro. So kiko takatanga watangiro wewe wechombe. Have you empowered abantu aba? Wakagenda kike tanga chombe. Another thing, the youth unemployment in that area. Matter for a long time people been thinking oyata wanga Nyansongo na the Karen ya Usi. But not the unemployed number of youth for Inogari. Twali kineto katenga naba wate chiba family chino enda mosome. And wasome mpaka masters mpaka PhD. Kasi nji bandu yanaka. You find out ntona bakwa machipara as casual laborers. Now the masters need degree. Then you are telling them what they could jump. What do you want them to do?
And the way he's talking about the issue is the most affected. That's why we could give him time. Nenda mamu muntara twarengo job in fact tuna taracha and the surrounding I can assure you even I'm told by the story that tenga abasubati abange bate kunyomu gocha taracha simply because those people were the chombe chinge chama up to date by the amabera naro and we thank God for that gonna na bali bara ingreti gocha taracha bwana taracha stiria mangana na rama ndio tukukwana na muona issue ya chombe because you are the most affected. Lakini rende to me when almost Fred Matiang'i tena nakukwana regoro ya amangana ye chombe I think for him he's allowed to speak so kwa sababu at this point maybe that is what he could have told abantu banyanshongo na ndibamu validating at least rende kera rengo maybe nchi akete and regardless of the policies abegete chikake and you could saying na bare gukwana and again Karoto kuru ase government ya muchi ase yende government yero achire ngote mere ko change some of the policies ko se ache yata mako oligere linga kiko beke bintu binde egere machikoro kananga very different from the other like now let's say omugoseno morogoseno yoshando abate NHIF so for some people maybe to think that President William Ruto na wate some ways ya koregasi akaona tigaye brand in other way nto abate kazi mtaani lero nyiro krosenga ki to wate chabo nyoto yukusenga nebe ntogete biarengo. And you cannot compare maybe, to me, I want to differ kidogo na Buganga, maybe the CS of interior wana katua tubwate, maybe nabara tuwarenga na wati policy chiae, weta ni policy chiae, weta ni chirichiarengo. Una wate banga, usina abigete a long-term solution, ego chako control that we chombe. And again, what I like about what Abuga said in Keringa, you might have controlled abantu mbaye chombe kurweli but this is where we need a long-term solution that you control as chombe chiko correct chigochi so onye tora control as chombe chigochi it means that there will be a demand and the demand is that people will still come to asobwe but oisa kokora agari as chigochi it means that maybe they will lack a market and there will be no demand so for me in Chekaron to analyze leadership in Senator ya Kenya I can't really say you got to go and to get to Kurukanga short term. Again, to go to Mugati reactions. Okora to Mugati, I say in Korea, Yambeba, Quabeco. But we need long term solutions. I think again, take a talk it's a long term solution so that it controls the entire. Maybe must get Fred Matiang'i had to get those policies at that moment. Maybe Chikaira Bono. That's why maybe we need regard. But we are hoping the government needs to look at these things. And other policies for a long-term solutions. Kenya a solution in a long term. To serve at that moment, and then after 2-3 years nani turena back to the drawing board.
Sense me mwali sojo kore na ngani turigari kosto kwandre briefly in the next less than 10 minutes igoro ya ODM kiama ODM kyanyara kaba gosengyanda kaba ko ratify officially a party leader kiama gya ODM kurukunga Omoske Obulu Odinga Daktari Obulu Odinga Senator Siaya County akonywe na mugavana we county ya Kisii Omoske Paul Simbarati, mugavana we county ya Mombasa Omoske Abdulswamad Sharif Nasiri na boigo omo senator we county ya Vihiga Omoske Godfrey Ososi munyekero we kiama ikyo nigo akorokwa Omoske Gladys Wanga omo senator we county ya Homabay mugavana we county ya Homabay na boigo Omare we county ya Kisumu Omoske Ruth Odinga na ere omoriki we meroboligose organizing secretary yemenetinga omoriki omonne we kiama ikyo niga gutigara Omoske Edwin Sifuna chingwana kinge cyanya kwachiko kwanwa senseme ya Mombasa sibanya kabago kwanira igoro yoko bwatira namo na serikali na asobu amekege kiama gyo diam kiana kiringa nigo bigo chikubwatira na serikali ya broad based up to 2027 tema 2027 January ko 2027 December tagire na 2027 abuga arogwe katochi to bole mosori ngaki 2027 yeri muna toko kigatara ya moja 2027 January ko se tare 31 2027 December statement yende ya berge ko irolo na bwatira we kiama gyo diam ringa ki ODM ikakebera sa serikali kero sia serikali gose kebera sa serikali kero sia serikali gose kebera sa serikali igatalinga kero sia serikali gose kebera sa serikali yani ebibionzi possibility ya bionzi kokara kambiro because imbali specific ngangere kibata kere kokara na egendekega goikagechi ku affect siasa yonsi ya Kenya na siasa yo mugusite gotigara magega tochaka na haye abuga siasa yo ODM chiabere interesting sana.
The ODM party, it's from our opinion, never the three sets of politicians. There's a set of politicians who have already left the party. So to say this is Ndombale,
that's what
even before Raila Tarakwa, Kanyabarure Chama. Yes. One of them is my good friend Timothy Wasire. Okay, what happened? The push from the Gusii community. Before that, the story of Matiang'i. A push for the Gusii unity. Ilikeja chakatenga ni Timothy Wasire tairi kiro cabinet secretary. Then ngeko liyo Now that set of those politicians, but everything utangachukua chiaki 2027 tubolie chame ngao. Kweli ine set kentangani. Set ya kabere there are those politicians within ODM still banging on a dream. Na nanyo kweto moiko baro noro within the ODM party. Atiba mama dingo moiko ngonya tarete. Siti Ruth Odinga sono buru.
Lakini nore family ma.
Nore family ma moiko nore ga. Akifana by extension bali shuanga. Like you moiko go kolega aspontuga iga. Now there's other set of politicians within ODM who won the party.
Abanyene kiamo.
Bara mwema batevenge chame bono. Tigira tumukasi ni.
So guys ko tuwakerangi.
To kwa wakerangi. Torgo li kande bingao ne chimatu chingao. Those are the three sets of politicians in ODM. But at the end of the day, ODM will never be the same again. Na batu kama basabanya sawa to sabakira Jumamosi na Jumapili na Ijumaa na Waislamu, lakini ODM will never be the same again. Give it some time from now. You know, the people are making noise in ODM, Lirela lenga moyo. Kama tenga na barama kuna bakorama. Lirela will say, abana baito batige. They'll just go quiet. But commuting or bakire. You know, ODM politics. What ODM siasa ya Kenya, ndio siasa ya ODM. ODM is only party in Kenya kwa siasa. Ijinde chuko nyachukura chakwa. Siasa ya kwa. Siasa ya kwa. Mama ndawo ngabona UDM aki nini. Ya ODM ero. But in the as a Gusii community, people should not be discussing the ODM party. And they were any friends. Simbazi will come as an ODM deputy party leader. But now officially declared as a third party.
And he was sworn in, yeah.
And I was sworn in. Now he'll come to campaign for ODM in Kisii. Chukuracha Angelo. Specifically, because the number of ODM but Gusii. But you know, people were voting for ODM from Gusii because they are Baba, because they are Raila. Because they are candidate. There are people who ODM want to get politicians from Gusii.
Why child rock by ODM?
But because ODM, one of us will get kiam. And I don't think there is a normal politicians from Gusii. Let me use that the normal. was a serious politician from Gusii.
Wala kwa peta watu.
Peta watu. Wacha batenga bono, candidate obwate ODM was a serious position like Kuru Kapana so deputy so senator. Tenga bono tande Gusii tubolie kiama ikuruga. And the more Mago push Ruto away from ODM, the more they lose it.
But I can give a very good example. Sekusiga ikamna mo bweka no mo jumbe bunge ya kitu cha South Musike Anthony Kibagandi niga ruete chupidi. Gose tata be UDA. Gose tiene kuruchinsa mechi anganyete go ODM ngaki asenkuru we cover ODM mai goeta. So it's not going to be the same case again.
Same case na the good friend to Ruto, the president, Nani from Borab Patrick Osero. The people who say like will win. You know, it was a miracle when Nani won elections. The current emperor, when you won on the ODM party candidate, Pumachoge Brabu was known to be in government.
Yeah, and in fact, yes,
yes. Now people, but they. Some of you look keenly. The members of parliament from Gusii region, Malengo DM, before the death arrived, actually they have gone quiet.
Yeah.
Either they are making some decisions in the next few days, but in Jomo Ndambo, Libonaiga, Punomo Gusii, Gusii. It is time to form a political party of Gusii. And I go pick you with that. You have now a candidate here. You were president in the name of Jubilee Party. But you ask yourself, if we can have more than 10 candidates who are independent from Gusii region, what about if you form a strong party which we're picking our every alternative to the Jubilee? Not even the Jubilee, but an alternative party. Fringe parties.
Briefcase.
From Gusii. Do you know a party when it's 2017 on the Machok?
Yeah, NAP, something like that.
We remember that party. We remember the officials. Did people know about the officials?
Never get the Mosque Alpha Miruka, Kiama Guerete, Naboigo Mosque Silvana Soro.
Yes.
Kens.
From that time, yes. Not be shocked, yes, Abagosulu can give votes to Matiang. The way I said, Abang Tigotia, Kurbokonga, Montage Independent, Abarus, Montage Chamagetanga, Abarus. You know, when a party is popular, ODM was popular in 2022. As an alternative party to Kenya Kwanza and the UDA. But how many members of parliament do you have from Gusii and ODM? Kibagendi, Nania Dugo, Osero, Barongo, and the other one is Manduku. And you know how Manduku came in. But much want to step aside the governor? Manduka Magoche.
There are 5 now.
Clive from Nyamira now. Look at how Clive won elections in Nyamira. He was portrayed as a young person, a party come old. But he had some rings to Raira. Those things. At least come on now, what they are to get. So, ODM for me in Gusii region, you don't need to discuss it. Navaveka no nyenjo abe party leader. Look at the which Kasbul Matega. All of a sudden,
walk off.
Yes.
Now it's a fight.
It is a fight for the win.
After Mugaka by the it's now
it's a fight.
Yes.
So Nanjigo Kora, say Musumari wa Mushurende, Seme ODM and the politics in the ODM party. I want to agree. ODM party, Asoro Ngurwagusi seems like Gusii Atwari replacement. It will never be the same. Let me tell you one that I've told you about Governor County Homa Bay Gladys one. It's not a guarantee that she might be coming back because Baba already division including the deputy governor. Before Baba died, you could see Uyugima were in every meeting Gladys Wangagotua. And rumors are that he's even supporting Philip Aroko Uyore, the main challenger, which is a candidate here, ODM. What I'm trying to say, when you look at the badge of ODM Bono, Yavana Siasa Baro, and the way they are speaking, look at Orengo. When Orengo stands to speak, Orengo speaks different. Mtu atabedelea abana siasa mbaro bari benyor tabari within they are enjoying the benefits of the government tends to be speaking softer to the government. They are trying whatever good of the government because they are enjoying some of the beneficial. You cannot expect someone to Samuel Atandi who is now the public accounts the budget committee. The budget it went owned by the member of parliament from the government. Like is now given to the opposition courtesy of Raila Odinga, and then at this own he's enjoying the benefits of that committee. Talk about Babo Mbadi, Babo Joho, who are within the cabinet. They are trying all means because there is a benefit they are enjoying. But look at Thomas Kebuna Sifuna, Babo Wino, and other category Yavana Siasa Gete, including we say during even the time almost Raila Odinga Rengo as a party leader, still they had the differences with the government, but still in that category they are in ODM. Still, they start to support the broad-based. Look at Mugavana Unoyo Kisi County. I want to single out Mugavana County Kisi. You are the main agent who Kiamagia ODM kwa sababu if you look at the elected members walinge ODM who were elected last time, the next of Akina Kibagendi, Moske, Obadia Barongo, Kalai Gisairo, Oske, Moske, Manduku, and then No Sero. They are dining and singing Matiang. So meaning that when we had a ODM celebration in Kisii County, unfortunately, it was only Governor Zimba Arati who is elected. Rendo yondaga chakumoa moral support nga kitokoroga Irene Mayak Kurunyamira as a nominated member of parliament. So it means ODM much as you cannot speak ODM in Rusivo Naiga. There's a shift. You Raj Komo Governor Simba Arati. Look at the two senators elected by from the ODM party. Senator Onyamira Kongo Mogeni and then Senator Nyonka. They are now dining with Fred Matiang, so it will never be the same. It means ODM needs to bring fresh people, especially from the constituencies. Chiri aba jumbe bari elected by the chama ya ODM.
Manjumuli karato kukwana hikorea ODM kukonyo tu it's exactly a month since omo raiwe kiama gya ODM musikirira Amoro Odinga nyatakoba kagosiria obugima bwaye ase enyagitalia yamo ime yense ya India na muna banke babiri bagoteba nigekorekananga in one way or the other ntokonya gatanga Raila na kwete kegara onyendiri kwete kangandiri ko genda komukwanda nabo igo onyendiri akwete kunanga none chisabali gochienga yaye chiakeire igo elietandiri ngari bwente gutume kwigoro yuko nganya kumusikira Amoro Odinga kurwase oboiko bwense iyo nateba figurative rigekora oisikoligereria abantu abange bado. They are calling in the name of Baba Raila Amoro Odinga, and then it's going to continue happening. We can 2027 abantu abange pado we kabaji kubwate telie century yamo wose eyende igo kukenyere tugendiga na kwa na ngaki na baira token tore twebire abange baito lakini no mutinyo mo gwiko erire korwa omoske Raila Amoro Odinga nyatokaba agosiria ubuma bwae na abantu abange kana assure you this abantu abange mbarajira nanga kane Raila Amoro Odinga taiyo ase siasa ya Kenya asobo moyo kulindiria terialio no ritigalita ngana yayo mwalio abuga so karato jo kolera morogoli weli kolera
ngana no mwalilinga asema ya Gusii nigantia maendeleo magenderaya takocha asowa Kariuki the energy and the vigor and outmira wakasi sasa matanga Paano bali karansa babo linga ki ni affordable housing chete na kiketi areti ya kule ngani kigara batanga ya kule tunazo ya kule pi batanga ya kule na kichipara chia chete mondata thenga if there are things futa culture as a country no go Kenya ko aside the construction tikere kono weta abantu barabende kwa ajobo nyomba chiserikali chipara chiserikali Kenya se Gusii ibintu mbikwamete abachumbi bando koraba mondo gure KMTC aga within 1 year parabe kurerami that if all the leadership ya Gusii kwa chale ngichiram na chira mchaka kutuchacha north tanga kusich pa cha connected but mjandu wate kusinya linga chipare chikoru AMR consensus A ya wata B lakini yo B na A mbali kuiwana kuna magandara kwa
na ande bana ta yas nyoko dano
waje county government the executive kwa wadi chipara usiasi chi ward una according uno go sasima umuraigete so buruta go sasima umuraigete so you have seen people complaining about those things but you mind bolinga sasa negende tu akusi but tu bora ni mna akusi ngaki ama kenda ta kego cha kusi ngaya chete kabunde airstrip in migori man zino mambe ama migori kabunde ama be mother kwende county for 2022 I'm seeing some works check almost thrice first take karosiku obviously bakasela anyway wakale maintenance na yesterday from the last week na ndege ndata comment na wakutiranga kati ya strip ya sunekero ekwete people were told nga kienda ya strip neroro yangu strip neroro nothing has come para president ya teba ya kurukisi suneka yabanda kwa complete daraja mbili accident ikoba mbona sasa hivi nimepata rekomeke for abunga ki pale tu bata problem zingi kiave kwa kisi town is congested mundio ko move my idea could be takiabara ibagusi mutaraka siasa tema kutumia njira zimwe irubo noiga mukonyo mwananchi aso iba konyo abananchi in the name of yomorai nyasanya ko basen na ndem mochi no consider them to kwa 2027
next time
sensema yani jenge ntonara sababu muske umugavana kwa county ya Kisii muske Simbarati you are the father of Kisii County much as you're the deputy party leader with chama ya ODM good and well it's good and it's progress lakini rende yare konyarekana you sort out amagendra gusi in a good way the promises you gave to Kenyans, I mean Kenyans are wale Gusii one, the Kenyans from Gusii. I think it is a high time omugaka Raila Osiri, you have celebrated ODM. I think even tombere bisinye tenka kidogo, including Omuchobo Songo, which you have talked for a long time. Tigaira nenka akole mirema gwente gukora asagava na ye county ya Kisii. Tuwa sabara iba Gusii. Na haraboliri swali yebutambe na anda keep on asking. I could have wished you to carry motomanyanga chi industrial park chi affordable housing igo chi ariko korekana in batches tokoro kabano nga that omabe koru mantigete baka mantigete na otoko korera tomanyanga usi on traikiro ase budget ebona takoba gosene chinga kitu chitaraikiro kwa sababu karutuara kwa ndagari gesiaga industrial park and the affordable housing in fact you could tell there's no structure even to be gari we county government ya Nyamira. What has happened when we are told nga chinyombanko iguruchira shi county chinde Homa Bay, we have in others in Nairobi? Was it a budget ya bege tukando kile county ekolere tumanyenga ni county government ya failed usene serikali ya failed? We cannot keep on going gutarana gwaka siasa bonabarai. And then, kemagenderero, we are not even shouting. When people own the government and saying, I got to watch her, they're saying, you to a tamagendero, and one benero will come. Mavera, that is my question, which is about Ibabus. Amavera, Amu, Kama says, you are being told in Mombenero. Mavera, ya, Karikuran. Ataraika, Akarakui, safe, Liguchi, Homa Bay, and other counties.
Amano,
you see, Aikakare, Karurane, that are very useful. That is a question which is about Ibabus.
Mwancho muligereria bono togokorera enkwana ya gatembeli tukulia lero nchini ngoro kwaro ni ototo nyangiri kurwa nsema ya transmission nsema ya transmission ase enkwana ya gatembeli tutwara manyererio nigakoro kwa DJ Atsen was Kevin Ongeri ento kwere ngambia bona singa kwanya ngaba gosanga amo 90 asomoro baliga kurutwa jagete kurwa ze kionga chinsa ibere na gwikirabo kuganiriyo gando toro buli rubi ya Gatembe TV kionga kya musi boigo twara butukoya.
Welcome to Timiza School, where excellence is nurtured and dreams come alive. Located along Kisii Keroka Highway at Nyosia 1, Timiza School is now admitting learners for 2026 from playgroup to grade 9. At Timiza, your child is taught by TSC certified teachers expertly trained in the CBC curriculum, ensuring they excel holistically. We go beyond the basics by offering French and Kenyan Sign Language, preparing learners to thrive in a globalized world. Our modern facilities are designed for comfort and excellence. Spacious, well-equipped classrooms, comfortable and secure boarding facilities, modern and clean washrooms, clean and safe water for drinking. We inspire innovation and curiosity through the state-of-the-art science and computer